just what you made, God. Not many I trust, I'ma go my own way, God. Take my fate to wherever you want, I'm out here on my son, won't stop till I get me some. Club hopping, tryna get me some. Bad bitches wanna get me sprung. Early in the morning, I'm waking, baking, drinking, contemplating. Ain't no such thing as Satan. Evil is what you make it. Thank the Lord for that burning bush. That big body Benz I was born to push. On my way, I'm burning kush. Nigga, don't be worried about us. Neighbors knocking on the door, asking can we turn it down. I say ain't no music on. She said no, that weed is loud. Nigga, we ballin', straight swaggin', lost heart, but I'm maintaining. I've been told that I'm amazing. Make sure keep that fire blazing, we living. I need slow. I need you slow. Who gon' hold me down now? I wanna get higher. I wanna get higher. Need to get by. Can you get me higher? I wanna get higher. I wanna get higher. Need to get by. Can you get me higher? I'm just what you made, God. Just what you made, God. I'm just what you made, God. I'm just what you made. I'm just what you made, God. I'm just what you made, God. I'm just what you made. Let me tell you about my month, y'all. In the shopping I had a ball. I had the ball for therapy. My strength don't think that helps at all. Whatever. That man ain't wearing these leather pants. I diagnosed my damn self. These damn pills ain't working, fam. In my spare time, punching walls, fucking up my hand. I know that shit sounds super great, but if you had my life, you'd understand. But I can't fold. Some poor soul got it way worse. We're all troubled in the world in trouble. It's scary to have a kid walk this earth. I'm what you made, God. Fuck, yes, I'm so odd. Think about all my old friends who weren't my friends all along. When it rains, it pours. Whiskey bottles on the 16th floors. Every day the fight says a chore. Mr. Dream with no exit doors. I need slow. I need you slow. Who gon' hold me down now? I wanna get higher. I wanna get higher. Need to get by. Can you get me higher? I wanna get higher. I wanna get higher. Need to get by. Can you get me higher? I'm just what you.
Fuck that. 8 doobies to the face. Fuck that. 12 bottles in the case, nigga. Fuck that. 2 pills and a half weight, nigga. Fuck that. Got a high tolerance when your age don't exist. Man, I swear my nigga tripping off that shit again. Pick 'em up, then I set 'em in cold water. Then I order someone to bring 'em Vicodin. Hope they take the pain away from the feeling that he feel today. You know when you're part of Section 8 and you feel like no one can relate. Cause you are a loner, marijuana. Endorphins make you stronger. I'm in the house party, tripping off my generation. Sipping cough syrup like it's water. Never no pancakes in the kitchen, man. Not one of our lives is caught up in the daily superstition that the world is about the end. Gives a fuck, we never do listen unless it comes with an 808. A melody and some house, PlayStation and some drink. Technology bought my soul. Looking around and all I see is a big crowd that's product of me. And they probably relatives relevant for a rebel stream. Yep, her president is black. She black, purple label on her back. But that dab is like blue, she take it straight to the head. Then she look at me, she got ADHD. 8 doobies to the face, fuck that. 12 bottles in the case, nigga, fuck that. 2 pills and a half weight, nigga, fuck that. Got a high tolerance when your age don't exist, like whoa.
I said it must be, cause a nigga got dough. Extraordinary swag in the mouth full of gold. Hoes at my shows, they be stripping off their clothes. And the college girls write a nigga name on their toe. Niggas talk shit till they get locked jaw. Chrome to your dome till you get Glock jaw. Party like a cowboy or a rock star. Everybody play the tough guy till shit pop off.
Let's take it to the basis, you and them Mr. Greatness. My Martin was amazing, rock Margellas with no laces. Crystal
I go by the cases. Wait, hold up, that was racist. I would prefer the aces. Ain't no different when you chase it. A 40 ounce to chase it. That's just an understatement. I'm early to the party, but my Rari is the latest. Somehow it seems girls in they late teens remind me of favorite jeans, cause they naked, cause you famous. Like some motherfucker ain't it. These other rappers ain't it. So tell me what your name is. I'ma tell it till my stainless. You aim it for you bang it, but that bang it leave you brainless. It's just me, myself, and I, and motherfuckers that I came with. It's lameness. Niggas wanna hate on me until I tell them to they face they ain't no G. Low key, niggas mad cause I'm smooth puffin' zigzag. Tell them quit the riff rap bitchin' with your bitch. Yeah. 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 Who the jiggy nigga with the gold links? Got me reminiscing about my old days. 3-6 suck a nigga dick, no foreplay all day. Booming out the trap through the hallway. Tell me what you niggas know about. Auntie saying turn it down, or she finna call the cops. We been plotting on the op, she the one who got the drop. Just a free quick fix to the and it's okay. They gon' take me back to my old ways. I was tryna chill, pop the sales ever since I got a deal. Kick it with my model chick, sick Chris. Fuck niggas wanna diss, now I gotta let them know it's really drill. Lord pretty Flacco Jordy. Dirty fuck niggas, how you been? Crushing 9 minds, niggas talk 9 every now and then. On the south, giving style 9 times out of 10. Flacco, Jordy, Flacco, Jordy, Flacco, Jordy, Flacco, Jordy. Young money, yeah.
I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck are y'all? I swear it feels like the last few nights. We've been everywhere and back, but I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck are y'all? I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck are y'all? It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. I'm shutting shit down in the mall and telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning to call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the brown. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'da thought a countrywide tour be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business. Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. Everyone who doubted me is asking for forgiveness. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to witness. Bitches, it may not mean nothing to y'all, understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. I'm shutting shit down in the mall and telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning to call. I want this shit forever mine.
Feel it coming in the air. Hear the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill.
I'm ready.
It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem? Tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight. Who's gonna run this town tonight? We gonna run this town.
I got a million ways to get it.
shit.
Choose one.
Choose one.
Hey, bring it back, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one, on to the next, on to the next one, on to the next, on to the next one, on to the next, on to the next one, on to the next.
Hold up.
Somebody bring me back the money, please.
Hove on that new shit. Niggas like how come? Niggas want my old shit. Buy my old album. Niggas stuck on stupid. I gotta keep it moving. Niggas make the same shit. Me, I make the blueprint. Came in the range. Hopped out the Lexus. Every year since I've been on that next shit. Traded in a gold for the platinum road Lexus. Now a nigga wrist match the status of my records. Used to rock a throwback, ballin' on the corner. Now I rock a telesuit, looking like a owner. No, I'm not a Jonas, brother, I'm a grown-up. No, I'm not a virgin, I use my cojones. I move on with the only direction. Can't be scared to fail, search of perfection. Gotta keep it fresh, girl, even when we sexin'. Or don't be mad at him when it's on to the next one.
Somebody bring me back the money, please. I got a million ways to get it. Choose one. Hey, bring it back, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one, on to the next, on to the next one, on to the next, on to the next one, on to the next, on to the next one, on to the next.
Hold up.
Somebody bring me back the money, please.
Excuse my charisma, vodka with a spritzer, swagger down pat, call my shit Patricia, young money militia, and I am the commissioner. You don't want Star Weezy cause the F is for finisher. So misunderstood, but what's a world without enigma? Two bitches at the same time, synchronized swimmers. Got the girl twisted cause she open when you twist her. Never met the bitch, but I fuck her like I missed her. Life is the bitch, and death is her sister. Sleep is the cousin, what a fucking family picture. You know Father Time, and we all know Mother Nature. It's all in the family, but I am of no relation. No matter who's buying, I'm a celebration. Black and white diamonds, fuck segregation. Fuck that shit, my money up. You niggas just hunting up. Young money running shit, and you niggas just runner-ups. I don't feel I done enough, so I'ma keep on doing this shit. Let's tune shit, a young tuna fish. Yeah. I'm going back in. Okay.
Fake nigga lie to a real nigga. That's just some shit that you don't do. I'ma stay right for my real nigga. That's just some shit that I'm gon' do. Fuck all the commas. Let's fuck out some commas, nigga. Let's fuck out some commas. Let's do this shit round. Yeah. Filch. Shit you just don't do. Fuck out some commas. Let's fuck out some commas, yeah. Let's fuck out some commas. Let's fuck out some commas, yeah. 100,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. Fuck out some commas. Let's fuck out some commas, yeah. Let's fuck out some commas. Let's fuck out some commas, yeah. 40,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. Fuck out the lumber. I'm hot like a sauna, yeah. The burner is on me. Can't play with that money, yeah. I'm fucking with shorty. I'm loving the way that she fucking me, yeah. Ain't get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks, yeah. Got my cup, yeah. I just bought my plug, yeah. Full of the mud, yeah. Nigga get full of them drugs, yeah. Feeling real right, yeah. I'm on the same thing as Mike, yeah. Ball of ice, yeah. Wanna beat that dough like Ike, yeah. Fuck out some commas. Fuck out some commas, yeah. Let's fuck out some commas. Let's fuck out some commas, yeah. 100,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout.
I keep your hoe upstairs. When she wanna fuck, I just tell her ring the bell. Hit her from the back, she can't do nothing but yell. And she smart as fuck, I got this bitch straight out of Yale. Yeah, 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 yeah. And you know I'm high as fuck, my eyes just red, but it was just pale. If it's up, then nigga it's stuck, don't come outside, not even for L. Got a Glocky on my hip, and I blow this bitch just like a rev. Yeah, 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 shit sweet till one of they pops and disappear. Give a fuck about your mama crying, give a fuck about that little bitch shedding tears. Gotta keep the fire by your side because the ops is always near. Yeah, 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 yeah. Double cup hoe, I simply know all these old niggas to build. All I do is just lead and all these little niggas just chill. 2020 in my vision, but I swear this shit ain't been clear. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Just come outside for the night. Take your time, get your life. Got it night. The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a piece of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping that kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be babe, well alright. Tryna fight in the night, come alive. Ain't it sneak? Ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it?
I just made part of my shit, get it live, hold up. Yeah, you try to come around at the shit, they popping your tires, hold up. Shit, 100 round, feeling like I'm on team. Playing both sides of these hoes, shot out on fucking your friends. I've been going crazy, shot, I've been Henny deep in. She not in the scene, she just tryna go.
Chat, what's going on, bro? How you guys doing today? Everyone good? Beautiful Friday. Everyone recovered? I just want to make sure everyone has recovered from yesterday before we start today. Yo, thanks for the $4.99, Orchid. Appreciate it. Crazy ride yesterday, bro. Yo, hopefully today is just one ride up, you know? No waves like yesterday. I'm sure it will be, though. I'm sure it'll be cool today. Not yet. All right. It's all good. Let me just make sure my hacks are on again. Because yesterday, for some reason, chat, like my hacks were on yesterday for like I had Jerome's aim assist, and then I had like aimbot, and then I had wall hacks on enabled. But for some reason, I think there was a little bug with one of the hacks we were using for the MT5 yesterday. Like for some reason, there was like drawdown for an hour and a half. So I gotta make sure to, like, I'm looking into this hack right now where it's like, apparently it doesn't give you drawdown anymore, but it's gonna be a lot, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's gonna be quite a bit of funds, man. All right, let me just make sure all this is on. Okay, lit. All right. Okay, yo. Let's get started here, chat. Let me turn my camera on. Stop putting red in your thumbnails? What do you mean red in my thumbnail? What'd I do? My thumbnail's red today? Oh yeah, the rocket, right? What's wrong with red? What's wrong with red? I'm wearing green today. Is that a good sign? No, I'm not on a new PC. I played a new PC, but I'm not like streaming on a new PC yet. I'm gonna set it up this weekend because I don't know, for some reason yesterday, it took me a long time to realize, but like for some reason I just thought that this PC, like, so it's like, you know how people do a PC and they have like a gaming PC and you have a streaming PC? I assumed that like I would leave everything here, and then for some reason it didn't click in my head that like I have to download everything on my gaming PC because I'm streaming off of that PC, right? Gaming PC that I'm streaming off of. Like I'm gonna have to get like MT5 and Zoom and everything on that, and all my softwares and everything. And then I'm gonna have to use my streaming PC or my current PC right now as my streaming PC. So it won't be my main PC. For some reason though, I thought this was still gonna be my main PC and this is gonna be my gaming PC for only when I game or stream, but it didn't make sense. Like I have to kind of have my MT5 on that PC as well and everything. So I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna do that this weekend and then get that over with. But it's a lot of work. I gotta move all the files over and all that, but it's cool. Not too biggie. But anyways, chat, how you guys doing today, man? I know. It was a tough day. Oh, not a tough day yesterday. It was a very interesting day yesterday, and you guys are still recovering from that day. But how's your day been though? How was your Asian London? Wasn't the first entry a loss? 2 positions combined for a pineapple. So the first one was negative. We closed both at the same time in the same trade. First one was negative. What was it? Negative. Fuck. What is this? Negative whatever, and the second was plus 13. So it was a net profit. Trades taken? No, I'm gonna leave that trades taken there for the next 10 days. No, I'm gonna leave it there for the next 4 days. For every hour I suffered on stream is another day I'm leaving it there. Yeah, man, it was a very interesting day yesterday, but hey, man, I'm not complaining at all. We had these days plenty of times for it, and if yesterday was the first time you witnessed that on our live, congratulations, welcome aboard. This is what DVS is. DVS sometimes will have drawdown on live streams. We'll come back from drawdowns on live streams and continue to do what we've been doing like any other day. That's what DVS does. Consistency, following the plan, following the playbook every single day, no matter what the result is, and good things happen. And yesterday, held our emotions together, the trade played on our favor, and just like anything else, another day in the books where we were in drawdown for a very long time and came back in profits. So this wasn't the first time, it won't be the last time, and you will see it happen more often as you watch us. Now, how often will it be? I don't know. This could be once a month, this can be once every couple months. It comes down to what the market prints us, but what I'll tell you that is I'll tell you we'll have another day like that eventually again. So if you're not prepared for that, peace out. But if that was your 3rd time here, 4th time here that you witnessed this live, congratulations. You are now one step closer to becoming the trader you want to be by watching live examples of somebody in drawdown, handling their emotions, coming back from drawdown, and repeating the same steps again the next day. So good shit to you guys. Pat yourself in the back if you guys were able to hold through that and not get emotional. That's a big W. You know, the profits are irrelevant. Like any other profit day, any other profitable day, I'll say the same exact thing. Profits are irrelevant. The losses are irrelevant. The break-evens are irrelevant. What matters is following your plan, and that's what we did yesterday, and we got rewarded. Days like that puts you well ahead of any other profitable day. I'd rather take a day like yesterday than a 100K day. 9 times out of 10, because those days don't happen often. You know what I mean? But anyways, chat, let's do this analysis, bro, because we have NFP Friday today, okay? NFP Friday today. It's going to be a very wild day, okay? So it's going to be in 23 minutes here. So we have some time to do the analysis, but I'm not going to take trades until NFP. Anyways, what we're going to do probably is do our analysis here. wait, and after the analysis, figure out what we're looking to take, right? And then we're gonna wait for those positions to come, but likely positions will be after news. So we're gonna wait for numbers to come out at 8:30. Numbers can come out however they want to come out. The markets could react to those numbers however they want to react. Doesn't matter. Bullish, bearish, it doesn't matter at all. What matters though is waiting for news to play out, and then you taking advantage of the volume from news. That's what we do. So it's not about predicting where news is gonna go, right? News can come out, shoot down, shoot up, shoot down like 200-300 pips. Doesn't matter. What we're gonna do is wait for candles to close and then take advantage of the leftover volume, because with NFP, you wouldn't just move and hover. You move and continue to drive, right? Typically, that's what happens. So today, luckily, not luckily, I lied. Nope, you have 2 folders. I was gonna say luckily you have 1 folder, but you have more folders at 10, which makes me think that assuming today's numbers come out a certain way, price will push in a certain direction. I believe if that's the case, then whatever direction I'm pushing right now is the direction we should be pushing through NFP. And then after NFP at 10, you have an actual direction on price. So I don't think the real direction of the day will be printed today until after 10, which means that we could stay till 10. But if we get a trade, between 8:30 and 10, then that's it for us. We'll call it a day. You know, it is what it is. But if numbers come out, if the news comes out a certain way, pushes price in a certain direction, be very cautious of that, because any given point at 10, you can actually move in the actual direction for a day, because you have another major folder at 10, which is called prelim UOM consumer sentiment. So days like this, typically I would see not volume will come in 8:30 obviously, but in terms of direction, you won't see that happening until maybe a little later in the day. So just be a bit cautious if you are trading gold today. Understand what part of the cycle we were in, and if price were to print whatever that is at 8:30 and then print a different direction at 10, what would that be on the higher time frame compared to a smaller time frame? So I'm going to break it down here in a second. That's just what I'm assuming. I like to give my assumptions before my analysis, but typically that's what would happen. All right, so let's go down to gold here, and let's go start the Zoom call. I'll send my Zoom link out, and then we'll get started here, and then we'll get to it, right, chat? So it's gonna be a wild day today, but to be honest, I don't want to be here past 11. You know, again, I want to be here. I want to be out before 11. But obviously, if we happen to be here past 11, it is what it is. But I don't think we should be able to. I think we should be out by, like, to be honest, before 10 at most. If we get a trade at before 8:30, of course. All right, let me just send my Zoom link, and I'll get some water. And then I'm gonna come back, and then we'll do this analysis, all right? Hope I was good though, chat. Hold on. Should have showed you guys. I got a new monitor yesterday, so that's why I have a monitor sitting here. That's like my old monitor, which I probably gotta get rid of. I have too many monitors now. I have like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got a 1440p yesterday. 27 inch monitor. So my first 1440, but kind of cool. Sorry, chat. It's not Coke or anything. Don't worry. It's fucking water. Okay, it's just sparkling water. It's not. Don't think it's, you know. Don't think I'm drinking Coke at 8 in the morning here. Okay. Some of you guys can be thinking that. All right, yo. All right, yo. So let's do this analysis, man. So let's see what's going on today. We got the monthly time frame. So let's start with that monthly time frame. I know the monthly time frame doesn't really matter sometimes, chat. Like today, it doesn't really matter because it matters, but in terms of it won't affect today's analysis. You know, no matter what the monthly does today, in terms of the way it looks right now, it doesn't really affect how we close today, we're the first week into the month. We're not even in the middle of the month yet, and there's lots of time before the monthly closes, right? So that's why like it's not too important what the monthly does right now at all. It won't affect your 10 pip trade, like I always say, but it's good to look at because it gives you an idea that you can have in the back of your mind, and you can build on that idea as the month goes on. So every day, if you're saying the same thing, like last month, all I said was 2020 will get tapped. We said that the entire month, right? And each time you said that, the smaller time frame started to make a lot more sense over time. And then you saw that whole scenario play out with the monthly time frame. So yeah, that's kind of why I look at the monthly. It's just more so just to give me the overall direction on price. But in terms of today's charts, it's irrelevant. But yeah, this is the monthly. So starting with the monthly, it looks like we are currently, again, same thing we did yesterday, or we said yesterday about the monthly. This is somewhat your resistance being formed there. Now, there's no confirmation of this resistance being formed just yet. What we do have though is a strong rejection. This was the opening of the monthly candle. First thing price did was come up, create a top wick, and then it started to reject very heavy back into the range, which I'm very thankful for, because I would rather trade where we are right now than all-time highs, because it'll be a lot more complicated to be all-time highs than trade because there's no traffic to the left, right? So this is good, but the thing is, you have 21 days left into the monthly. Now, just because you rejected hard doesn't mean you're going to continue to drive down completely for the rest of the month. There's still a slight chance that at any given point, price could still flip bullish and close above the range. But the good thing about this is that the monthly time frame. So you will see how it closes, right? If you close above and you're able to hold this support to the left here on price, which is right around here, then next month's candle should be able to come down to the bottom of the range, right? Which then will take you down towards these levels on price at, what is this? This is, I think, 1990, right? Because if you close bearish here on this candle, right, you'll be closing back into the range. Therefore, if you're closing back into the range, you should be good to come down to fill the range, right? Typically, you'll see something like this. But again, you have 21 days left, and there's no confirmation of resistance formed just yet. There's slight resistance being formed, but it's not confirmed, and it won't be confirmed for another 21 days. So until then, we can just assume what the possibilities are, but we want to draw out what the scenarios are. So first scenario, I'll assume, is we close back into the range and next month's candle continues to drive down to fill the bottom of the range at 2090 or 1990. And then if it closes below there, then obviously you're going to continue to push down back into the range, which then will take you down just like these other candles did to the left hand side, down towards these areas here, right? Which could mean that we may have another swing trade coming very shortly, if that's the case. But I'll look into that later on if we actually do close next month, next year probably. But yeah, that's the monthly time frame, right? So the monthly could close back into the range. It can close below, or it can even close, like, for all I know, doji, right? If it closes doji, that won't be too bad at all, because then you're still respecting the support to the left here, right? But therefore, next month's candle, what is it going to do? Is it going to fill the range? Is it going to come back to the range? I don't know. But what I will say is that it will close doji off of a bullish candle, and therefore chances of us driving up towards the wick fill is very high. But again, 21 days left. We don't gotta worry about it just yet. We're just drawing out the possible scenarios that could play out for the monthly. Now the weekly is closing up in 8 hours here, which is going to be the NY close tonight or today, and it looks like you are breaking back into this range here. So it's not really about whether or not you'll found resistance yet. It's more so about, like, if you can close, because if you can close back into the range, then that's your confirmation of your resistance being found, right? However, if you don't close in the range and you close bullish respecting 2038, then what that means is that next month's candle could still drop down, because I'm assuming it will still close bearish, right? If it were to close respecting that level. But the thing is, there's a support right here being formed, and at any given point next month's candle could just range, because there's not a closure back into the range completely. You might just end up doing something like this for the months to come, right? It might be a little boring, but or next week, sorry, not the month. But yeah, comes down to how it closes in 8 hours here. If you do close back into the range, then perfect. Your next support on price is going to be sitting you right around here in this area at 1940. So therefore, next week's candle, if you close below, I think in this case, if you close below 2040, then next week's candle today should continue to drive down back into the range and fill the rest of the range, coming down towards 1940. All right, so that's what I got going on for the weekly. I think it's gonna be a very interesting week next week, just because this week was more of an indecision level, right? Because there's news that came out, there was the all-time highs that happened on Sunday, so it was a pretty wild week to start with. But I think next week, once things settle down, it'll be a lot more easier to trade in terms of trend. You have a much better direction. And I think today's NFP will set that up for you for next week and the months to come. But yeah, that's the weekly. All right. So just keep an eye out on how it closes here in 8 hours. I know it's going to be after NFP. So price is going to be nowhere near where it is right now. I doubt it. 2028, I'm pretty sure we'll be either way above or way below. I don't think we'll be sitting in that range the whole entire day today. If it does, then it'll surprise me. All right. But yeah, the daily time frame looks very clean today. So I'll tell you guys why it looks very clean today. So you can look at it from two perspectives, right? The first perspective is overall, you can say that, okay, well, there's levels to the left here that we are currently rejecting off of. So you can see that there's rejections here, rejections here, right? And rejections here, obviously. And all these things had in common was the fact that it all closed back into this range here, right? Because this one respected the resistance and drove down. This one respected, drove down, respected, drove down. If this one broke the highs and now it's coming back into the range, you know what I mean? That's liquidity being grabbed for us to rip down, technically. That's what it's showing you, because we're breaking back into the range. These counts, if these counts were able to, okay, these are all bullish pushes, right, chat? Like this push right here was like, these are all bullish major runs that we had and it just started to reject, right? Reject. But now, if it started to reject after grabbing liquidity, that's even worse. Not worse, but that's even better, because that's a high indication that if that's what price did and it's breaking back into the range, you should continue to push down and fill the rest of the range. Now, in terms of your next target on where we're coming down to next, again, we have monthly targets, but we have to look at the daily target level. So in terms of the daily target levels, I'll say looking left at all the times we rejected. So going back to this circle, and this circle, what were all the times where like where did price drop down before it started to hover in the past, when it did drop down in the past? So you're looking at this pole here, right? You're looking at this pole right around here. You're looking at this pole here, and you're looking at this pole here, right? And it looks like the last time you came back into the range here, you were able to come down to tap into, I'll say, this level, and then you hovered. Same thing here, rejected, tapped in this level, hovered. This time around, it came down. You rejected, it came down towards, I'll say, more so of like this area, and you hovered. But like, I'll say around here. All right, so I'll say the average area in terms of hovering, or even let's put it back down here. Oops, where'd it go? Okay, yeah, so you rejected there, rejected here, right? So in terms of like the average area where it rejected off of, I would say the middle of the range would be safe to say it's going to be around here. So I'll put this as like maybe 1980, right? So if that's what I'm looking at, and that's where price came down in the past whenever it did reject resistance, and this time it looks very similar and we're breaking back into the range, I would assume that if you were to come down on the daily, right, towards the next area of target, your target area next, you could say it's gonna be 1980 next, which is pretty doable. It's not that far off, and looking left, it makes sense because you do tap into some type of minor support once you do tap like 1990 to 1980. And also that lines up perfectly with what time frame again, chat? Going back to the monthly, it lines up with the monthly time frame that we mentioned, right? Because that's the monthly support. Going back to the monthly real quick, we just broke that down a couple minutes ago. We said how this is your resistance on price right now, or potentially resistance, and your next support is down here at 1980, which makes perfect sense with the daily. All right, so that's the daily perspective. Now you can look at it from that perspective, or you can zoom in a little closer and look at it from this perspective. It's the same perspective, I'll say, but like overall, like what does it show here? It shows that you are breaking below, you're still below here. So you have a bearish candle that closed back into the range, and then this bearish candle that closed again, and then you have two bullish candles here that all rejected resistance, but they all close respecting. Not once have these two candles ever close above. Therefore, at any given point, you could get a pop up before coming down towards the next support. Now, here's the thing. You have, where's your next target if you were to drop down? It is going to be likely, in this case, 2005, 2006, right? That's kind of what you're looking at next. You're looking at that support to the left there. So if this is your resistance on price, and this is your support on price right here, right? I would assume that if you were to drop down towards 2006, you would need liquidity, right? So if you need liquidity to drop down, right? I'm not saying it's gonna drop down. I'm just saying if it were to drop down the situation, wouldn't price need to grab liquidity first before dropping down? Of course, right? Down towards 2006. That's a pretty steep range. That's like a 200 pip plus range, right? So if you were to grab liquidity first, what makes the most sense right now? You have news at 8:30. Could numbers push price up, and then after 10 a.m. we can move down for the rest of the day? because this is a daily time frame, right? And if price didn't create a top wick yet, I believe the top wick should be created first. Therefore, in this case, if numbers come out negative, for instance, and price pushes up for NFP, great. After NFP, after 10 a.m., we can look for sells after 10 to come down to fill the ranges, or maybe NFP, post NFP, we look for sells off rip, right? But the idea now is that, like, if we're still waiting for a top wick, could we be in a position to look for buys? Because the data shows us that we're still in this range here, and therefore, if we're still in this range, any given point, what can happen is you can get one strong bullish candle up, right? Break all the highs, tap 48, whatever the case may be, and then all of a sudden start to reject because we're still respecting that resistance and we're still in that range. Therefore, that range must be filled, right? Because even if you were to drive up in this case, even if price were to be in a situation in some given universe today to drive up towards the highs, before it drives up towards the highs, it's likely going to grab liquidity down to push up, right? So therefore, that's why the move down will make a lot more sense here as well. Because if you were to come down with the daily time frame ranges that you have here, you would come down towards 2006. So you're putting yourself right now in a win-win situation. Therefore, no matter where price goes, you understand that it will come down towards 2006 before it makes that move up, or even before it makes the move down, obviously, because it would just drive right through it, right? So this situation here is perfect because, again, it's a win-win situation. No matter what price does, I'll say it's going to tap 2006 before it does anything else. It might not be today, but in terms of overall daily ranges, in terms of overall daily candle structures, that's what it shows, right? So let's drop down to a smaller time frame because I only have 6 minutes left, and see what's going on today and see what we can grab. All right, so it could be buys today, it could be sells today, but what I do understand right now is that we're currently in this range here. So let me go ahead and use a 30-minute time frame because you do have news in 5 minutes. So real quick, I'm gonna mark up my levels just to mark it off. And these levels aren't too important in terms of like ranges because we're not looking to take buys above or below anyways. It's just to mark up and identify that these are ranges formed there. So I have my resistance sitting here at 2038, I'll say. So that's where the current resistance area is. So let me just go ahead and draw a gray line there. Cool. And then I have my next support on price, like right around here, sitting at like 2021. So that's the bottom of my range, I'll say. You have more levels down here at 2014 and 2008 as well. But in terms of the next major or minor support, or you can say major to be honest, I'll say it's 2020. That's a pretty decent level that you have there in price. So again, just to identify our ranges, these things don't really matter too much because we're not taking buys above or sells below these levels. We're looking for positions within the ranges or once you break out anyways. But yeah, that's what I'll identify the current range at. So I'll assume that even if price were to drive down in this case, you'll need some type of liquidity to be happening up here, which means that if numbers come out a certain way and for some given reason price doesn't drive and you get a top wick after news, then we can look for potential positions for sells, maybe somewhere up here to come down towards 2020, or worst case, if numbers come out negative, we can look for buys to go up towards 2042 before looking for sells down, right? Because remember, the overall idea today is that we're bearish on the daily, right? Keep that in mind. But before the daily comes down, I believe you need liquidity. Therefore, the buys before liquidity would be valid. So same exact thing we did yesterday, where we assumed yesterday was going to drive down, but before it driving down, you need liquidity up first. So that's why we took the buys yesterday before taking the sells down, right? But yeah, chat, that's what I got going on today. Pretty straightforward day, I'll say. It's going to be heavily based off the daily time frame. I'm pretty sure if you've been here for at least 2 or 3 months, you would know exactly what the daily is going to do today. But if you're new here, you might be a little confused, but just take some notes and just replay the stream a couple times if you did get confused here. But yeah, you do have news here in about 2.5 minutes. I don't want to, or 3 minutes. I don't want to, I want to have some time to see what happens pre-news here. All right, chat. So I'm just gonna have this line here just to mark it up and not forget that I'll have a line here, but I'm not gonna take any positions just yet. Let me go ahead and delete this. I'm not confused, you guys. I just want to see what happens there. So if you were to come up to grab liquidity again, I'll assume it's gonna be like 2042, but you can even take the buys up towards those levels because you do got a decent range going up towards those areas anyways off the daily. All right, man. I understand though, the daily could reject anywhere, but I would assume that if you were to drive down, again, look left all the times where you drove down the past on the daily, you drove down after creating topics here, which you don't have just yet. And that's why I believe that price will do that this time around before it does anything else. And this time around shows you that it's going to be at 2046, 2044-ish areas. So I would assume that would happen before you would see a heavy push down. Like you can reject down, don't get me wrong, right towards the bottom of the range, but to drive down like these candles to the left here did, like this, and then like this, you need to grab liquidity up here first. So you might see a push down. That could be a scenario as well, but you might not continue to break below to drop down towards the next support because that next support is pretty steep. You need lots of liquidity to drive down that steep. But if we do get a position at like, 2048, 2042, whatever the case may be for wick entries, then we can probably attempt swings down towards 1920 off of a scalping trade. All right, yo, let me just shut up though, because news here in a minute and a half here, and we gotta lock it in. That might have been a little quick chat, but just watch it in like 0.5x or something. I always get confused at this part. Why can't we make a small trade to 42? That won't be a small trade. That'll be a very nice trade. No, I will be looking for potential buys going up towards 2042. But numbers got to come out first, because I don't know what numbers are going to come out as, Like numbers got to come out, and then the market has to react to those numbers. I don't know how that's going to happen, how that's going to work as well. But after the numbers come out, after like, let's say 835, 840, we can look at gold again and look to see if we can get some buys up. But we need to grab liquidity down first, right? So we need to grab liquidity down to push up towards the top of the range, to take those buys up, to take the sells down for the higher type of liquidity to drop down. All right, so it's just about like how numbers come out here and what price does first off the opening. But this candle will close doji, I'll say, in about 40 seconds. All right, chat, but NFP here. So good luck to everybody that's trading NFP. Again, I am not gonna have any orders, any positions open for NFP. I'm gonna watch price and see what it does, and then hop on the wave as a bandwagoner in trading and see what we can grab afterwards. But could be buys, could be sells, I don't know. But we already explained what the idea is today, and it's just about whatever the market prints for us, all right? But if you guys are trading though, good luck to everybody. Hope it all works out, and just be aware of slippage, be aware of things that you can't control. But yeah, hope you guys come out as winners off of those trades today. All right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good luck, everybody. All right, so you push down. Looks like you pushed down, what is that, 20 or 40 pips so far? Okay, you're continuing to push down. You're rebreaking a low, so you got some volume here. So, interesting. Okay, so you broke the highs first on the 4, and you started to flip down bearish. Okay, nice. So, my concern now is like, we're looking for sells down today, but it's like, is that going to be the top wick now? That's the concern. Is that going to be the top wick before you drive down, or will we continue to stay within the ranges and flip back bullish? But looking at price with the volume, it looks like price should be able to make its move down. Daily target was 2008. But I can't look for anything in this case, chat. Like, I can't look for sells. I gotta wait for a closure below, right? So maybe the 5 closures, but to be honest, that's in about 4 minutes or so. Let's see what happens in 4 minutes. Assuming though that let's say like you pull back for the 5-minute candle at like 835, right? And then 835 breaks the lows, we may be in a situation to have sell stops, but I gotta see how we close here, because I want to see a closure back into the ranges below, I believe, 2020 here. 2020 or even below here, to be honest. Like there's a minor level right here on the 5 below 2017. You close below here, you should continue to drop down towards 2011 next. But I gotta watch this kind of play out here. I can't really do much. Yeah, if you won, congratulations. I'm pretty sure if you had sell stops, you would have been in there and out there. I'm not too sure about slippage. I don't think you would have got slipped though, because that wasn't too wild for Canada. That was a decent push. But I don't trade news myself, right? So I don't have experience with that. Well, I do have experience with it. It wasn't a good experience, so that's why I don't trade news. But if you guys won, congrats, bro. Congrats. We can call it a day. I'm just waiting for the comments to come. Don, you missed the move. Don, there's an easy sell there, Don. Why didn't you take a sell there? Got to win an Warzone? Okay, nice. Nice. Is news gambling for you? I wouldn't say it's gambling, to be honest, but it's just things that are out of my control. For instance, like slippage. whipsaws, I can't control those things. I want to trade when I have full control of the trade, right? In terms of probability wise, I want to make sure nothing can sway the trade. In this situation, I'd rather trade without news, you know, and off of just purely candles and technical analysis. But yeah, there could be some situations where we are in a trade during news, but that's because we got in before news. You know what I mean? But no, like usually I try not to trade news, but not because I think it's gambling. I just think it's things that I can't control, and if it's things that I can't control, it's a lower probability trade for me, and therefore for me, it just doesn't make sense for me to take a trade. But I wouldn't say it's gambling completely. You can see for how you see it as. You can see it as gambling, right? But I don't see it as gambling, but I just don't want to touch news if I don't have to. But there are cases where we can assume what news could do, but today I was completely off. I thought we were going to push up to create a top wick and then drive down afterwards. Okay, so how do numbers come out here? So okay, all positive. Okay, nice. So all positive here. So now I have 10 AM folders as well. So what's going to happen at 10 is the question, but let's focus on what's going to happen now. We do have a 5-minute closure here in about a minute and a half here. I want to see if, or 50 seconds. I want to see if we can close below in 2017, because then we can have sell stops. But if we close within this range here, that's fine as well. We'll have to wait for the 15 closure or maybe the next 5 closure at 840 here. All right, chat. But the daily looks clean, man. You can see the daily now a lot more clear. If you guys didn't understand the day prior when I did my analysis, you will understand it a little better now in terms of how we look here. It's basically just means that we're in this range here from 2040 down towards the bottom of the range here, and then your next target is 2009, right? So you still got a range left over coming down towards 2009, but let's hope we get some closures before we push down, because if it just pushes down, then we'll just watch the whole move play out in front of our eyes, right? Which is fine. You don't want to have FOMO over that, but I would prefer to be in the trade as well. All right, so this 5 didn't close below for me, so therefore I can't really do much here. I understand that the 1 hour and 4 could at any given point flip still. You have 24 minutes left in the candle, but with the way the 5 close, I can't take sells just yet. I was looking to see if we can take sells on the breakout lows after closing below 2017 to drive down towards 2011, but I can't in this situation. I cannot, sir. So maybe the next 5. You do have volume here though. You see it's breaking out lows here. So typically the breakout lows for news, you would typically see a drive towards the bottom of the ranges. How big was that candle there? That 5-minute candle was 20 pip advantage point. Yeah, it was like around overall 6-bit range. Not bad. It's good though, because the reason why we didn't get in, right, was because we're didn't close below, right? And we wanted a closure below to confirm that we may not come up to create a top wick again for the 4 and the 1. But as the time ticks down to the 4-hour candle and we create new highs on the 5 time frame to drive down, you're printing highs. Therefore, you can assume that those highs are well enough and respected enough for you to rip down towards the bottom of the range. So if like the next 5, for instance, comes up, breaks the highs for a top wick, flips bearish, sure, we can look for sells down. But what's important here, I think, is a closure below 2017.071. And then we should be good for positions whenever we do close below. All right, because still got some range left, chat. Still got some range left. I would prefer a wick entry though, but let's see. Bro, lost yesterday? No, we got 8 pips yesterday. We reversed 150 pips to make 8 pips. Which I got delete trades taken, chat. Let me delete that. I was kidding about the whole 4-day thing. I'm not gonna leave it there for 4 days. Now, if it was like maybe 10 pips, sure. But 8 pips, you know. We under pipped yesterday by 2 pips. But we also over pipped the day before. We got like 16 the day before. Should have been 10, man. Shake my head. All right, 43 win streak. Extend that. Record is... 237. 6-0. Oh, lifetime is 237. 913. All right. So I think you broke the lows again. If I'm not wrong, did you? Or no? So 1 minute time frame. Let me see. Yeah, so it broke the lows again, which is perfect now. So it broke the lows again, which means that you did break the lows. If it didn't drive there, then you should pull back here for the last 15 here. You have about 6 minutes left. That's a very long time for a 15 close. All we have to do here, chat, on the next 5, it might be a long shot. Well, not that long of a shot, but all we need to do in the 5 is come out, create a top wick, and then you should see a push down. Like if this forms, we can get a sell stop on the flip after a top wick is being broken, because that top wick will then confirm, because there's no reason to really flip bullish here if price isn't going to flip with the 4, right? So if it comes up and that's not to push all the way up to flip the 4-hour candle and the 1-hour candle, then as you flip bearish again, that's an indication that's going to drive down for the rest of the range, which will then take you down towards 2009. So then we can have a sell stop on the candle to come down towards 2009. But you need a top wick here. It doesn't have to be up here. It can just be the break of the highs. But whenever the highs are broken, we'll have a sell stop at like the closure of the candle, which I don't know where it's going to be yet because you closed in 37 seconds. But let's say it closes at 2015 893. Then you can take a sell stop right there once you create a top wick. But what's key is waiting for a top wick, because if it doesn't form a top wick, then I'm sorry to say, but we're gonna have to wait for the next closure. Right, because there's still possibilities of the 4-hour and 1-hour flipping. There's still a possibility. It might be far away, but slight chance though. With the daily as well, I'm pretty sure if the daily grabbed the top wick at 42 last night or this morning before it came down, would have driven down a lot harder. You would have seen it drive straight down towards 2009. Assume that like there could be a chance still that was not the top wick for us to rip down on a daily. You might come into create a stupid top wick, which then would mean that you can get buys later on towards the top of the ranges at 42. But it comes down to the daily, right? Because if you didn't push up first for coming down to grab liquidity, then you're pushing down first. Therefore, this might be liquidity down to go back up towards the top of the range, which might suck, but you have to adapt to the current price. You can't really sit here and tell price what to do. Price doesn't always line up with your analysis. That's why you gotta have multiple analysis, and you have to have a plan B and plan C for what price may do instead. And you have to learn to adapt to what price is doing instead of what you wanted initially, right? You have to read your opponent's hand and what your opponent is playing. In this case, if you were to drive up, why did it push down first? How did it push down first? Where could you get entries now for buys up? What would you need? What would confirm those buys to drive up? What will confirm that support is being respected here, right? But look, the 5 never closed below 2017 184. That was very key, and now it's starting to reject. So this is what I mean though. It's like you're starting to push up, right? But it's like, will you stay up or will you come back down to re-break the lows? Right? So you don't need to guess and predict what's going to happen. You can't just wait and see what happens here, right? It's pretty straightforward. You see it pushing up right now. You don't got to predict a wick entry here because 1 hour is still open. 1 hour hasn't closed. 15 hasn't closed yet. But once the 15 closes, I'll say, once the 5 closes, you have a better idea of what could happen. But you got range though. Like regardless, you got range and you have volume. You just might not have direction, like real direction. You might push up here, but that might not be the actual direction until 10, because there is another major folder in about an hour and a half here, or an hour and 17 minutes and 52 seconds. Four hours on close in 17 minutes as well, man. The only thing about the 4 that I liked was the fact that I broke the highs first. But if it just pushed up a little higher, at least towards 38, that would have been a lot more ideal for sells for me. because then this would have driven down a lot further. A lot further than what it did. All right, how big is this range up? This range up is going to be 60 pips up to fill the ranges. All right, here's what I'll do, chat. So you have a closure here, right? So I'm not going to take the buys. I'm not going to take the buys off the rip of the candle, but I'll wait for a bottom wick, because if you get a bottom wick and you flip bullish, that bottom wick, if that bottom wick doesn't, because look, if you close here in about a minute and a half, you have a wick fill, right? So if the 15 minute opens up respecting support, which is a sign that it may not continue to drive down, right? The first thing price prints is a bottom wick, perfect, because that bottom wick will confirm that you're not going to flip bearish, and you're going to fill the rest of the range up towards the top of the ranges, and therefore we can look for buys up. But that bottom wick will be very key. All right, well, give it a minute here. Let's see how we close. Looks like we are going to flip bullish on the 4 though, and the 1, and this is what I was worried about, and that's why there was no sells at 2017. You closed below most recent, but that wasn't enough, right? There's a minor support here that we caught last minute at 2017.071, and you closed respecting that level on a dot. So look, if we get a bottom wick here, like if the candle opens up like this, it's a long shot. Again, it's a very long shot, but if price opens up like this with a bottom wick and then it flips bullish, I'll look to take buys on the flip, because they're assuming that you're gonna come up for the range, and then maybe even continue to break out of the range afterwards. I think the 4-1 daily flip are all at the same level. 4 flip, daily flip. Yeah, it's roughly the same level. Right there, right? Yeah, it's gonna be at 28.816. All right, so 15 closure. Oh shit. Okay, perfect. Amazing. Chat, we're gonna have a buy stop here, man, on the break of the highs. This is the play that we mentioned here. So we're gonna have a buy stop here at the flip. All right, wait for the lower wick. Gonna have a buy stop to take price up towards the top of the ranges. All right, chat, I believe we're activated here. Gone buys off the count flip. I didn't have time to do anything, but gone buys off the candle flip. Target is going to be, in this case, 2028. Stop loss is going to be, in this case, I believe stop's going to be below 20,009.689 here in this case. All right, but the idea is that the 15 close respecting support, the 5 close respecting support, and you're assuming that this 5 should take us up towards the 4-hour flip, which is going to be up towards 2027. But I think break-even point in this case is going to be roughly in this area here to the left. So once you tap into like 2026.019, that'll be the point where I'll move stops to break even. All right, right around there. But yeah, my entry was, I think it was 2023.43. That was the entry that I got. Let me just make sure I put TP here, just in case it rips up here. I don't think it's gonna be another 4-hour trade, chat, to be honest. It should be quick in and out in terms of where it pushes there. There's no top wick here too, so I'll assume that even if you were to rip down here to fill the ranges, you would need to see some type of top wicks around like 2026.019, and that's why at that point we're looking to move stocks to break even. I think that range going up there is going to be 25 pips. Over at TP is going to be 50 pips. Should be a nice pop though. Look at the way the 15 opened up with the 5. It just has to break the highs again here. That's it. Can you break the highs? All right. Here it is. The highs break. Should see a continuation here towards the wick fill. All right, chat. Gonna close full my positions right around there. I didn't get time to do anything. Wow. Okay, that's cool. All right, chat. So got the wick fill, close full there. I think it was like 20 something in profit. Pretty straightforward trade, right? It was just literally a 5-minute closure back into the ranges after a bottom wick, and we close off full. I think it was sitting right there at the top of the range. Perfect entry, perfect closure, in and out, and have a happy NFP Friday, man. Congrats, chat. You guys are traumatized yesterday, I can tell. Everyone's a little quiet today. Everyone's like, you know, no, I know we're on the streak here still, but I don't know, man. After his trade, I don't know about this one. Good shit though. I think what was key here, understand the bottom wick. That was very key, right? We could have taken a bottom wick entry. That was fine as well. If you took a bottom wick entry, congrats. You probably had a better entry than I did. That bottom wick entry would have given you like maybe an extra 16 pips. And that you would have had a better advantage point. Obviously, that would have been the better trade, but I think both played out in this case, in this situation. Both were the same idea though, just closure back to the range, bottom wick to drive up, right? Because if price were to create a bottom wick, right, there's no need. Because if price were to create a bottom wick and flip and not flip bullish, okay, great. We can come down for the 1 hour still, because the 1 hour is still bearish. But if, for instance, like the 1 hour the 5 comes down for a bottom wick and then flips bullish, that's an indication that you should be headed up towards the top of the range now, which takes you up towards 2028, 2026 areas. And that's what happened, right? You printed a bottom wick, and then we waited for the buy stop to take it, and then we took it off of the closure, and we closed full at the top of the range. But that was basically it. I think this trade here was a lot more, I'll say, straightforward than yesterday's trade and less confusing, especially if you're new and you're still looking at the playbook, etc. This would have been a more ideal trade for you to like understand and grasp. But yeah, chat. The streak continues, unfortunately, to a 44 win streak. No lot, 2 losses since June 22nd, 2023. No losses since August 29, 2023. Let's go, man. Nice Friday to top things off. Nice week. Very eventful week. Very educational week, I'll say, this week. And cherry on top to finish the week off. I mean, there might be another trade, but to be honest with you guys, Warzone came out 2 days ago. And I mean, it's a Friday. Job could be done already if you guys, you know, especially if you guys caught the sell stop earlier. There's no need to be on the charts anymore at this point. It's like, do you want to wait for 10 a.m.? And you gotta wait for 10 a.m. You gotta wait for news, and you gotta wait for news to come out. 10:15, 10:30, you're in a trade. You're looking at 11. It's like, would you rather end the trade off? Would you rather end the day off now at 9 a.m. or would you rather end off the day at like 11, 12 later on a Friday? Nothing's wrong with staying a little longer. It might be worth it. You might catch a bigger runner, right? But it's like, you know, it's up to you. What do you guys want to do here? What do you guys want to do? But before you guys dip off, chat, I just asked for 2 things today. Just a like and a sub to the channel, okay? That's it. A sub to the channel, not because you made profits either. I don't want people coming here just to make money. Leave a like and sub to the channel if you're here to stay for the long run and you're here to stay to learn about how to form your own strategy by watching me stream every morning. So if you guys enjoyed that little breakdown, the analysis today and everything, leave a like and sub to the channel, man. I appreciate it. Wait, well, I want to hit 100K by the year end, which I think could happen. Speaking about could happen, chat, this weekend we're going to do a webinar again on Sunday, same time, 12 p.m. probably. We're going to do a webinar on Sunday morning. Not too sure what we're going to talk about. You guys can bring up some topics right now. But last week we spoke about pineapples and liquidity. I think this week we can speak about, I think we can go back to the basics maybe. Maybe we can do a little basics webinar on Sunday. Maybe like beginner stuff, like more so just like support resistance, introduction to the playbook and how to use the playbook, stuff like that. Because I'm sure some of you guys are still new to and not familiar with the way we trade. And some of you guys are still in the playbook, which is cool. It's fine. But I think some of you guys might want to do a little recap on that. I think some people have been asking me about the old playbook. Because I will say this one, the current strategy is a lot more complex than the playbook one. It's the same strategy, but it's just, there's a lot more that comes to it. But today's trade here was basically just this, chat. It was, I think it was more so of a fake out. I'm pretty sure it was more so of a fake out on the 5. or an onion in the 5 to come up to retest the highs, which in this case would then be something like this. Where's the onion? Right here. This is probably it. We took the buy stop here at the bottom of the range to retest the top of the range, right? Because this is just a wick fill on a different time frame. You have a bullish move, and then you have 2 candles that pull back. Now 2 candles that pull back leaves a wick. You fill the wick on these 2 candles, right? Same idea. It's a perfect onion. Yeah, it's a perfect onion. Yep. I'm in a buy still since yesterday, since I had to go before you close. You think the buy at 34 would be safe? 34 was the entry, really? Yeah, I mean, the day can still flip. That's the thing. Day can still flip. I mean, I believe you still need top wicks here at 34 anyways. So yeah, it could be possible. I'll say it could be possible. It's just, it comes down to how price reacts to the support. You have a 4-hour closer in 5 minutes here. And if you close bearish in 5 minutes here, I would assume that the next 4-hour close should continue to fill the wick down because it is a bearish closure. But after filling the wick down and after forming structure up, if you do end up flipping bullish at the flip, then you should make your way up towards the top of the range here, which then will take you up towards 2028. And then that will be the day flip, and day flip should take you up towards 2038. And then your target areas will be tapped, but it needs to come down first. So just brace for impact, for more drawdown if that's the case. Not because I'm asking for a drawdown, more so because that's what price needs to print to make its way up, right? We can't just say it's gonna just push up with one candle just because you're in a position. It needs to form structure first before coming up, and therefore that's why in that case might be a little rough for a bit. It's like yesterday, same thing. We were like, oh chat, we're in this trade here, but we need some more drawdown here, right? And we kept like looking for more drawdown because wait, how many pips is that? That push there was 22 pips. Yeah, so we kept like asking for more drawdown, not because we want to draw down, but because that's what price needs to print in order for us to drive up to the top of the ranges. And that might be scary in some situations because it might just hit stops, but there's like 3 simple cycles of the markets, and that's the push, that's the range, and that's the decision point. The decision point is what you need to get to, and that's why getting to the decision point might be hard sometimes because your stops might get tapped. But once you actually tap the decision zones, that's when price might start to hover. It might start to hover, it might start to range, it might start to pick its direction, right? But then you need to grab liquidity to drive the opposite direction. And then once it grabs liquidity, you should be good in your positions. So I think yes, this trade was taken up here. We didn't grab no top wicks or bottom wicks anywhere. Didn't grab it here until here. We came down, tapped 2020. There was no bottom wick in this case. So we came down and created bottom wicks for these candles. And then it started to reject up. And then that's why we got the onion going up, because we assumed that that was structure being created for us to rip up to the top of the range. But yeah, so it's like we're not like asking for more drawdowns, more so just that's what kind of needs to print sometimes for price to move in its structure, which you can probably manage risk on if you want to. If you want to take that route where you manage risk because you know it's going to drive down first before coming up, you can do that, but all comes down to you. Find more drawdown. How can I learn this? Do you have a video about it? Yeah, the live streams every morning. Every morning. First trade on Blueberry, 0 commissions, W. Hey, bro, let's go. Good shit. Yeah, chat. Blueberry offers no commissions on gold or direct accounts. So it's a good broker, man. I mean, I've been using it for like 2 years, but you can probably find better brokers, to be honest. I'm pretty sure they're or I don't know about better, but you can probably find other brokers that work very similar, especially if you're not in the US or not in or if you live in the US. I know brokers in the US are cracking down right now. They're in shambles. Wix is here. Let's fucking go. Where is Wix? It's a Friday, but Wix on stream. Can't complain. Cannot complain. Why do I feel like Wix got the buys up, chat, and you cut the sells down for some reason?
What's the deal?
You grinning too hard on a Friday. You definitely caught the sells down.
No, I actually just took a sell right when you said, "Why do I feel like it?" I literally clicked the button when you said it,
Damn.
and I'm closing right now.
See what I mean? Knowing Wix, he did. Yeah. Knowing Wix, he probably just got the buys up just now too. Probably just got the Wix entry here as well.
No, I didn't.
Close full
I got
already.
the same. I got the same buys as you did, and just like a second ago, I got sells.
Man, what a fucking day, bro. It's 9 a.m. We're done for a day. That's amazing. Well, I think we're done for a day, but I don't know about you.
What do you mean? There's 10 a.m. We're not done for the day.
No.
We don't tell them that. We don't tell them that.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Chat, we have some potential trades coming here at 12 p.m. 10:30. You might.
Chat, stick around till 5 p.m. Bitcoin breakdown.
Yeah, Bitcoin breakdown. We're gonna have a new feature today. I was gonna hop on the track and break down Bitcoin for us at 5 for pre-Asian. Dude, I gotta transfer all my stuff over to my new PC, and I'm thinking about it. Just gives me a headache. I hate. I like how
it's like switching brokers.
Oh, true that.
Transferring stuff to a new broker. It's like, damn, this is wild.
It's gonna take forever.
Will I succeed?
Will they not go through? Sorry, sir. Your funds have been lost in the transaction through. Huh?
Or, sorry, sir, but you've installed your processor wrong. Time for a new one. You got the thermal paste? Don't forget the thermal paste. That was like the first thing that I forgot.
No, the PC is cool. The PC runs decent. It gets a little hot. Honestly, I need a new case.
Oh, it's already running and everything.
It works perfectly fine. Everything works fine. It's just
You need a big tower, a large tower, like
yeah,
a tall tower, whatever it is. Fuck it, throw in two 4090s in there. Imagine.
I need an extra tower to do that. My tower is tiny. My tower is pinched, bro.
You'll be walking around in a hologram.
Liquid cooling, I can't afford that. Yo, the liquid cooling, like sometimes it could be like $10,000. Not expensive.
I mean, no, what you got is a liquid cooler anyway.
Yeah.
It's liquid cooling. It's just not
in
it's a closed system, not an open system. You don't want like an open system liquid cooling where like, because first of all, it's a lot of maintenance. Second of all, it just looks cool, but it's not like super crazy amount of benefits. It's a lot of maintenance, and there's a lot of chances that something spills or cracks or goes wrong, and then you gotta replace the fluids or whatever it spills. And it's like
yeah, at that point, it's not even worth that money. Unless you're doing some heavy tasks that I don't think I'll ever do. MT5 does nothing. MT5 is taking up nothing right now.
Like, this is a closed system, right? This is liquid cooling, but this is closed. I bought it and it's already all the tubes, everything is.
Oh, you have liquid cooling?
Well, the GPU comes with a liquid.
How do I check my
this thing? It's liquid cooling. See that cord, that white cord? Right there. One is hot, one is cold.
Oh yeah, I see. Alright, this is my 3070. This is my 3070. It's running like, I mean, I think it's running. Is that hot? 48 Celsius.
No, that's normal. Between 32 and like 52, that's normal. Like,
this PC could run a little better though. I know it can.
Mine runs between like 25 and like 45. I'll see 48 like once in a while. Like when we're in a trade, that bitch is at like 90.
Bro, yesterday told me how the guy came over to help me fix my PC. This guy was
asked for your help.
He was hella smart. And yo, he was like in grade, he was in high school still. And he was over here.
Oh yeah.
He was hella smart. Yeah. Like I'm like, he was doing things like, cause like, you know how sometimes like you do, like, it's like, bro, he moves so fast. It's like he just types so fast, downloads this, does that at the same time while doing. I'm like, what's going on here? I'm like, is that how I
imagine you
to
hired
watch
like
my
a 6-year-old? If you hired a 6-year-old, your shit would have been done in like 40 minutes. They got this shit. Top technicians.
Yeah, it's He was fast. I didn't know you could change up the speed of it, the temperature fans in your PC as well. You can control the speed of it.
Word, you should have looked at him and been like, nerd. You nerd. How do you know this?
Bro, he was nice though. I actually gave him a tip, and I also Ubered him home too. He's like, I'm late for my next appointment. I'm like, oh, okay, bro, I got you.
Hold on, what did it cost you to put the PC together?
No, I didn't put it together. He just helped me with getting some stuff in the, done in the PC, and also just trying like help me connect.
Did you put stuff together yourself though? You built it yourself? Or somebody helped you like install everything, like all the GPU you got, because you got to pick the brackets, right? The spots for the brackets where it makes sense, which way you're gonna face. You know, the GPU, you got to line everything up.
Oh, you're supposed to do that? Oh, I just fucking I just got thermal paste. I started pasting thermal paste on everything. Like the GPU is thermal
just
paste.
fucking stick.
I just
don't even take it out the box.
I just glued it. Yeah, it's glued it. That's how I did it in the PC.
Just a box tower of just supplies together. Work. I command you to work.
Don, should we sell? Bro, I don't know. I saw the 4 opening here. The first thing I did was just come down and fill the ranges. Honestly, chat, if I'm being honest with you guys today, if I'm being completely honest, I think I'm done for the day. It was a traumatizing day yesterday. PTSD kicked in for a second, and we survived it. And then today we got rewarded with the 5-second trade. Why would I not call it a day and call it a week on a very successful week? Like, why would we not want to call it a week, right? I mean, you could stay and catch more pips, don't get me wrong. The day is nowhere near done, right? You have lots of volume, lots of ranges, news coming here at 10 a.m. But if I'm being honest with you guys, bro, there's
What do
really
you mean?
no
I
need
gotta
to
make
stay.
back the 16, 48, 52,000 I lost yesterday.
Oh, you took the loan? Oh, bro, if you lost yesterday's trade, you took the loan, you would have won today.
We gotta make back every single pip that's been lost on stream this year. Today.
You can't keep
Yo, how much was your 4090 by itself?
4090 by itself was, I believe, 2,500.
You bought it separately, right?
2,500.
How much?
2,500.
25.
Canadian. So that's like 1 point something. But the
Wow,
kid
the
was
prices
like, dude,
really dropped.
The kid is like, bro, I could have got you this PC for the entire build for 4,000 because I get a discount. I'm like, what? That's insane. Like literally high-end PC, he gets like some type of discount off all the parts and stuff.
You should have tipped him a PC.
Huh. I'm like, what PC do you have? He has like a 26 something.
Yeah, as a tip. Here, take my old 3070. I was like, hell nah.
I might stream Warzone this weekend. I'm gonna try to get the thing at the stream. I'm gonna try to download all everything, transfer everything over.
Can you actually use your 3070 in like conjunction with your 4090?
Yeah, one for streaming and one for just my main, which is my gaming.
But like with the PCs connected to each other?
Nah, it goes through this capture card, because it captures the gaming PCs, whatever's on that screen, to the streaming OBS of the
Your other
PC.
PC.
So therefore, when I have 2 PCs on, one will run at full. Like I can play a game without having to worry about the streaming bringing down FPS and all that stuff.
But they're connected to each other, right? PCs.
Yeah, they connect to each other. Yeah, well, kinda. Just the capture card connects.
Your room looks like a big ass server room right now, man.
Bro, it's hot. I know it's gonna be hot. It's like it's not even. It's sauna in here.
And he wearing a long sleeve?
Yep. This is your long sleeve.
It is my long sleeve.
You put
Nah, that's my white beater. That's your long sleeve. My t-shirt's your long sleeve.
Call it, Don, call it a day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day, chat. Honestly, bro, it's 9 a.m. here and it's a Friday, bro. You know, today, you can do a lot of things today, man. by finishing off the week on at 9 a.m. At least it's not 2 p.m. Yesterday we killed half the day. Being
The
some
one thing you
drawdown.
can't do if you finish your day today, your week today, is blow your account. Can't happen if you're done for the day.
How you guys doing?
What's up, Elvis? How's it going?
Not bad, not bad. Trading a live account is so much better.
Oh, why? Because yeah, no drawdown limit today.
Yeah, so much
To
better.
be honest, there's no draw. Oh, there
Hold
was
on.
drawdown for a bit, but
Did you just start a live account
No, I had it previously, but I just wasn't trading it.
and just placed your first trade on it?
because yesterday his
Um,
position would have been good if he didn't have the.
Basically,
the
it was
drawdown
the
limit.
account that I had before I went over to do 0.01 lot sizes for the $100. So it was the account before I decided to go like, okay, I need to learn trading for real.
That wasn't funny, Wix. I'm not sure what we're talking about. But at this point, we're asking Elvis questions about his account.
So you
Sorry,
It was a small account,
so
so
right now you're not on your funded, John. You're just on your live. Like
yeah.
I said, yeah. I mean, it's obviously just better
Are
in
you
terms of there's no restrictions.
Are you
Yeah.
going back?
Maybe just waiting for the funded discounts.
Or depending on how this goes right now,
Yeah.
the live
Exactly.
account?
Yeah.
I think you're gonna find less stress trading your own account. While it is your own money, right? It's more money.
Exactly, yeah.
I think you're gonna find it that on your own account, you're able to make higher quality decisions, I think.
That's what I feel just off of this, like today, just trading today. But yeah, we'll
Kind of
see.
like this, an extra pressure lifted off you, right? Where you're like, fuck, I gotta stick to this rule, or like,
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
it just
exactly.
makes it.
But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'll trade this for like a couple months, and then I'll make a decision based off of that.
Yo, Eddie, where you been, bro? We made you a mod yesterday. You dipped.
He's like, he lived before he got the mod on the stream.
Yeah, he dipped before he got the mod.
I think I saw that. I think I peeped your stream and then I saw like, oh no, I saw something A lives. I don't know where I saw that. Someone posted it or someone was it on your stream? I don't know, but I saw something about A lives getting mod. I don't know. Maybe someone posted it. I don't know. I forgot, bro. Yes, it was a blur to me. Literally a blur. I woke up like, was yesterday real? What's your opinion on BMW M4? Why is this specific? I love that car. Wow, we're pushing down here, chat. Time to dip off before I get questions about Don, what's happening with gold right now. So, gonna play as Wordo and call it a day here, chat. I'm done for a day, guys. Please, if you guys are still trading for a day, I hope it all goes well for you guys. Again, you have plenty of time, plenty of volume to trade left over from NFP. And if you're still trading, just be aware of news at 10. But that's about it, really.
Yeah.
I think in terms of direction, if you continue to push down until 10 and 10 a.m. comes up with positive numbers, you're gonna come all the way down towards 2000. Oh, I was gonna say 2009, but I just realized you're right there. Yeah, you might come down quite a bit today, to be honest, quite a bit.
Like another 500 pips. Finish off the range.
500 pips done. Fuck yeah. Let's see, where is it gonna be? If it breaks below 2009, man, fuck.
Did you say yeah?
I
Is
know,
that confirmation?
90.
You just said yeah, so you just confirmed it's gonna drive another 500 pips.
Oh no! Someone just got
Oh,
sold
yeah.
already. Oh man, fuck! I fucked up. You're gonna blame me now.
Stop confirming things.
YouTube
Well, I'm looking at
analysis?
1950 as the next daily. Well, or the overall daily where we can head.
Bro, I fucking this morning I had 1990 as a monthly target. I'm like, it's not gonna be today. This might be today. It might be today. It might be today.
I think last night we said 1992 is just a monthly target, right? And we're so close.
Yeah. I was like, wow, we can grab swings down from 1948, but that never happened. That never. Imagine we had a trade since yesterday.
The weekly closes. The weekly closes below 90. We're coming down to 50.
Hey, Alan, thanks for the 20. Knowledge. Thanks for the knowledge and value you provide for us on the daily. Appreciate you. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you for supporting. Yeah, bro. It has range going down for sure. How much range? But nothing's stopping us from playing Wordle, though. Let's see. London Avengers. What are you guys saying?
Release. The beast.
Yo, what's good?
Can't get a Warzone, I think.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Are you gonna stream it?
I
Warzone
don't have time to
time.
stream it because I might. I gotta just hurry up with my downloading stuff, but
Alright.
it's gonna be confusing, I think, bro.
I need some Friday content.
I also need
Just
to get our
background
Oxford.
noise.
You run a Best Buy.
We carried.
You need
Cam-
another monitor.
carried
Play
Cam to
Warzone,
win.
Elvis?
I don't game really, basically.
Oh, me neither. What are we gonna do, Elvis?
I don't know, man.
These
The chances
losers are
looking
playing
hella
Warzone.
fine.
You can go and play lacrosse or something like that.
I might trade. I might play something called Trading View. Who knows?
I think we swap
Nice.
out Huss on the Warzone team because he's a dead
Let's
weight.
stream it. Let's stream it.
Wix, get Warzone.
Isn't it quads?
No,
though?
I can't. I
We
can't
can have-
justify playing video games right now.
I know, bro. This is. Fuck
Like
it.
I feel like the day's out there. It's the weekend starting. I got
That's
like
perfect.
You sound like an old man.
I got a fat Jamaican joint waiting for me outside, and then there's like the beaches down the block. It's like what am I gonna do? I'm gonna sit here and play Warzone right now.
Yep.
Yeah, you know.
The gym is packed full of people putting in work right now.
If you play GTA, you can go to the gym in the game.
Just virtual muscles.
Virtual muscles.
You know what I mean?
You can make money in the game.
Yeah, but then when I want to eat and I need somebody to open like a jar of pickles for me, I gotta be like,
Yeah, actually work.
does somebody open this jar?
Nah, if you're playing Fortnite, mate, and you're going from like key D to 1 to build.
Oh, that's a
you're
workout.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're definitely
Yeah.
growing those finger muscles.
The grip is getting massive, right?
Mate, you should see some of the pros. Like,
No, I gotta show you Wix. Hand cam of Fortnite builder.
watch Asian Jeff. Watch Asian Jeff. Asian Jeff hand
He's
cam.
so funny.
How you spell
Mate,
that?
Asian Jeff. Actually, no, don't.
Oh,
watch
something,
it.
yo,
It's
something wrong with
TOS.
the audio.
Actually, no, he streams on Twitch. I think he should be fine.
What do you mean for chat?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all yelling L audio.
Wait, you guys are the audio?
Oh, it's fine now.
Wait, why have you got that pop up on that for hand camera Fortnite builder? What's that pop up got to do with anything?
Nothing wrong with it.
Hand action.
Just search up Asian Jeff hand cam.
How you spell that?
Asian Jeff hand cam.
Is this what you watch, Cam?
How
You're
you spell-
strange
yo,
geezer.
My name is Jeff.
How do you spell that?
Asian Jeff, just Asian and then Jeff.
Oh, Asian Jeff. See, I can't.
What did you think he was saying?
How do you spell
Gone.
that?
Asian Jeff?
Oh, I don't know if he's gonna show his
Asian Jeff
hands.
and
Oh,
Gone.
no,
show
he
his
doesn't show his
hands,
hands. Yeah, I'd go to someone else. I don't know, just go anyone. Mate, he is nuts. You should see him build, honestly.
He makes it funny as well.
Yeah, he's
Cypher.
actually quite funny.
No, I gotta show you. We gotta show you Wix. We gotta show you how much of a workout this actually is.
Yeah, it's actually crazy.
That's what Yanez does, bro.
Yeah, but Wix could say the same
Yeah,
when
watch
he's
out,
rolling
watch
up.
out when that 2 years
This is
away.
Mongra. No, it's not.
XQC had a clip where he was talking about using his thumb for control, and chat was immediately roasting the shit out of him.
Like, can you even process what's happening? I can't even process what's happening, bro. He's building 90s. Doing
That's what I
90s.
build like.
Bro, this is the.
Joking, I'm not this good.
I roll
don't
joints
know
at
what
this
this is.
speed.
What the fuck?
This is how fast the guy was building my PC yesterday. He was like, I'm like, dude, this guy downloaded the driver within like 10 seconds. I'm like, it's bro, I don't know how I have enough internet.
How does the guy even know what he's
Look
doing?
at his middle finger. Look at how hard he's pressing W.
It's gone white.
He's tensing, man.
There's not even a button there. It's just a hole in the
Look at that
keyboard.
thumb, bro. That thumb, it's like, you see it? Or the pinky? Like,
Yeah.
it's like on shift key.
My pinky's unusable anymore.
He's had to have the frame of his desk made out of scaffolding so they don't push it through the floor. My connection's fucked, innit?
Yeah, you sound like ET, bro.
He said Pinky
Yeah.
got some range. Dude would be reaching.
What's this?
You get little like finger weights, like a pound per finger, like a ring.
He'd be the meanest piano player.
Be working out and shit.
That's
Yeah,
insane,
sure.
bro.
Piano player.
Girthy ass finger.
That's what we're all thinking.
He has fingers. Fucking sausages.
Where?
What's the word here?
Yeah.
Trade. Oh no. No,
Wait, did you change the original word?
Yeah.
Yes.
The range.
Because it was trade in one.
Mm-hmm.
You've had too much time off, Cam.
Yeah.
Too much
Been tired
Fortnite.
for
and
too
all that.
long. To be fair, I've actually been destroying Fortnite.
Is that like an achievement? Like,
Yeah, of course it is. I'm in Unreal, mate.
sure.
That's cap. That is
Nah, I'm
cap.
joking. I'm not. I'm not.
They
I'm
sent him one free bottle of Prime for all his efforts that he's been doing for the last 3 weeks flat out.
Yeah. I got to
Scarf.
Diamond 3 and then started getting absolutely rinsed.
Scary. Scarf or scary.
Ooh.
Bark.
Oh.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Oh, you think you're sharp, huh?
Sharp. No, he thinks he's sharp.
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 You misspelled that as sharp.
Just the next Wordle player in the world.
My PC is so laggy now. I don't know what's happening with my PC and this one just feels so slow now.
Are you sure the guy fixed your PC?
No, this old PC is chopped. This
You gotta look at it. There's
this
a,
PC
what did
is
he
so
say?
bad
He
to
had
a
a
point
20
where
something. There's a 2060 in your PC.
The guy was actually so quick because he was just installing viruses.
Yeah, loads of viruses.
Problem to the audio static. Oh no. Yeah, I moved my PC around yesterday, so.
Wait, have you got like a dual PC setup then? So you stream on one and use the other?
Yeah, but not yet. I'm gonna do it by Sunday.
Wait, what have you got to?
No, audio's fine now.
Are you using like an Elgato or something?
Wait, chat.
No.
When the audio's bad, is it me? Is it my voice or is it Zoom's voice? He installed a Copter on Don's PC. You know what? That's not. Everyone.
Ooh, that's a 4D chess move.
You put a Bitcoin miner in
That's
there.
a 4D chess move for real.
That's for real, yeah.
This piece is real bad. I'm lagging. Trade. Mom, dad. Gold. Buy, sell. Gift, bid, coins. Holidays. Holiday. Stream record. Oh yeah, true that. True that, true that. Chat, we have like, wait, is it a week left before we hop off? No, we have 2 weeks left before we go on vacation.
Where you going on vacation?
My other PC.
Whatever the Warzone map's called.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna go on a
resurgence
vacation.
Yeah, I'll be in Verdansk between June and July.
I wish.
You'll recognize me by my fucking skull mask and the 40 cal.
I'm gonna come out, Sergeant, speaking Russian.
Word. I see you there.
Cheeky breaky.
How perfect was that exit today, though?
Yeah, bro, we held any other second. I was like, I'll move Sauceberry closing flow here.
Oh.
Yesterday. Same with yesterday.
Oh,
well, sus if you ask me, chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got out and then it just rained.
Just ripped.
It always starts with, you know what I'm gonna do here, chat?
You know what's funny, bro? Because during like I had notifications on at the 34 level, I think, set, and during Asian it said notification. Your line level has been tapped. I'm like, oh shit. We pushed up during Asian towards 34.
Should have held.
Yeah, bro, should have held. That's the thing, bro. It's like we could have taken it. We could have held, but it would have been like another, like at least 4 or 5 hours on stream. I didn't want to overlap.
Plus swaps.
Yeah, plus swaps. Well, yeah, wait, yeah, we're in buys. Yeah, swaps. True. 2 positions too. Definitely not fun.
Yeah, I closed out those cells way too early.
Nah, bro, you closed up perfectly on time. Don't worry, man.
Yeah,
It's only gonna drop another 400 pips. Don't worry.
The monthly, man.
I only closed it at 24 pips. This shit is like 150 now.
It's
Should've swung it.
clean traffic to 1990.
I think we're gonna have some swing sells in January, chat. I believe so. I don't know if we're gonna get 1,000 pips again, but we're gonna get another swing for sure with the monthly closure for sure.
Probably more if you're swinging January to January.
Honestly, you close below 1979 by the end of the month, we're swinging gold all the way down until 17777.
Till the next war.
That
Till the
5 minute
next
count just
crisis.
pushed 60 pips.
That 5-minute candle. Holy! I just saw it. I didn't see. I just saw it on my top left of my screen at 2007 and just pop. Yeah, chat. This is why I get off the charts.
Yeah, just stop looking.
Yeah. I don't know who brought the charts up, but
I'm sorry about that.
I love
Let me
this.
just leave.
Ban him.
Ban him.
You even game?
Not even once, dude.
a lot of you guys who are still trading though right now and are asking about positions are the same ones that asked Don, how do you get rid of FOMO? Well, this is what you guys are asking while I'm showing you guys what you should be doing. You should play Wordle.
Just get yourself some Brits, chat.
Play some Wordle and get off the charts.
Nah,
bro.
don't do that. Don't do that. They're the worst.
The last thing you want to do, chat, is hold a trade over the weekend, okay? You don't want to hold a trade over the weekend. Well,
Unless
sometimes
it's
you might
now.
want to. Last week you definitely wanted to, but sometimes.
Brits for rent.
So what would have happened if you had a sell last week on Friday's close? Like your account would be the negatives probably. Dude, imagine your entry was, bruh.
Blueberry reached like, what was it, 2180?
Yep,
but it never actually did. So they did price corrections. They took some of my profit.
Bet you if it was the other way around, wouldn't see no extra profit.
Nah, that supposedly, allegedly,
Oh, they took your shit, gave it to somebody else?
They gave people their losses back too.
What's up, AD?
Took your shit and gave it to someone else.
Basically, yeah.
Don, you remember how I was like on Friday? I was like, yeah, I want to hold.
That was some
swing.
participation award shit.
Obamacare.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Yo, shit.
Sorry, I've been muted since yesterday. I didn't know how to get reach with you guys.
What's the deal?
What's up? Yeah,
Not much.
You just raised a hand. Not much, not much. Did you catch a trade today?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
And yesterday.
Nice. Oh, yes, it was traumatizing.
And yesterday.
It was my welcome.
Is that a
my
good thing or a
welcome-
bad thing?
It was my welcome trade. Can't
Oh,
get
that
worse
was
than
your
that.
first trade.
That's
Wow.
crazy that was your first trade. Like,
Yeah,
that's
it
a
was.
wild introduction. Like, after this, you can't even complain. Like, any other trade that happens, you can be like, oh my God, this is great. In relation to
It
that.
comes after seeing like, oh yeah, we've had 100% win rate for the last 3 months, and then it just hits him with this.
I think a lot of people were like that yesterday. Like, oh, they heard about the win streaks and all that, and they just show up, and then it's like, holy shit, first trade. Draw down. Who lied to me? But it happens because every stream, there's new people, right? So it's bound to happen that one of the days when we're in drawdown, somebody's first day.
Happens all the time, yeah, because I was a new audience that comes in. We peaked what today? 5.2K, 5.3, something like that? Viewers?
Today, I didn't see.
Yeah, it was.
Yesterday
Seems like
was
we're getting
5.5.
5K on the average now.
Yeah, why didn't nobody tell me you had 5K today?
How
I
can
had
you
to make
keep
sure
track
people
of
don't show up
the
to
typing
Asia.
up there? All you guys have YouTube, right? Some of you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
all
I'll
the
say
streamers are
most.
here at the moment. Yeah.
I think we have
Most in the cam. Most on
Hus.
cam.
Husk, Kieran, Elvis. Oh, yeah.
Where's
Jeanette,
that
everybody
info?
on
Where,
cam.
where can I get everyone's stuff so I can look it up? So I'm here to learn. So hopefully,
Yeah.
Oh, it's your first day? Second day altogether.
yeah, second day.
Yeah, Captain has a message that he can send. It's all of our links in the chat.
I just got something from SJ. He sent me
Or Donbo.
Yeah, if we just create like a calendar sort of thing, and then we just put that on all of our streams or whatever.
Yeah, someone was requesting
Twitch-
just make
Twitch has
a
that idea.
app.
Yeah. Because then it's just
dodge chat, can't spam. Oh shit.
Yeah, so I would know where to start. You know what to watch first and what to do. And
I'll say SG has beginner stuff. He just mentioned the Zoom. He has like a lot of beginner stuff on his Instagram. But to be honest, the free course on the website, that's like there's a beginner course there. But wait, you have the course, right? You have like, I'm assuming you're here.
No, he's talking about how to catch everybody's stream.
Yeah. So.
Hold on. Are you in the Discord?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your at?
What are you taking?
It's my name is actually AD, just AD, 28. AD 28. But I've been trading. I started like, I first actually started learning like kind of like the style that you're doing, and then I walked away because I met someone from that, going to indicators and all that stuff.
Then you came
And
back.
I wasted basically a year.
Welcome back.
I'm telling you.
Better go back to them and.
Everybody that finds us finds us the same way for some reason. It's like they find us first, then it's like I'm gonna walk away, and then eventually.
Yeah, the road seems to be similar.
It all comes back to the same route. It's like I don't know. I feel like it's just because like our strategy, like or the way we trade, it's a lot more. I'll say in depth. Like there's an explanation for.
It just
everything we
makes
do.
sense.
Yeah.
Everything else is really arbitrary until you just learn price action.
I'm not saying we have the best strategy, right? But I would say just the way we explain it, it's explained very well.
Okay.
Let's try a course there. Nope. Dad. What's closer to dad, bro?
Belt.
Yeah, actually, you know, guys, when I took that trade yesterday, I was on my second stage, and I'm
Stage,
barely
like what?
surviving.
Funded
so-
account?
Yeah.
So you survived?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, nice. Not an over risker.
Well, I cut half when I started dumping.
Uh-huh.
If I would have left my old position, I would have lost it. But I cut half.
All right. Risk manager then.
Yeah. Well, that name of the game.
Don,
Yeah.
Try milk.
Milk.
He needs some milk.
Dad, get off.
Bro, I've literally done nothing all day but play Warzone and Fortnite.
Dude, didn't you just make
We
so
know,
much money
you-
on
you know,
Amazon the other day?
Go sell a tampon or something, bro. Get to work.
Don't you have like pallets of condoms to sell or something?
They're all at the prep centre, mate.
Get on it.
All that late, they've been sitting there too long, so they've been busy playing the games.
Wait, Council, how do you get delivery of these things? Like, they just bring a truck and they just bring a pallet to your front of your house? Like, you have like 6 pallets lined up in front
Mate,
of
they
your house?
don't care either.
He buys a contract. If he doesn't get rid of it, it just gets delivered to his
They
door.
just drop it on the drive as well. Oh, we got some Makita radios now.
Do you have to pay a lumping fee?
Send me one.
When he's not there, they deliver it to the neighbours, and they're like, "What the hell is this?" Massive.
Yeah,
pallet
you
from
imagine
the-
a pallet turning up
pallet
at
in front of the
neighbour's
door.
house.
Honey, whose condoms are these?
Tam had a nightmare last week. Did you
Oh, that's
not
the
see
neighbour.
his lorry full of stock that got turned over on the motorway? Did you not see what happened? There was a lorry full of like, I can't even say what it is on there, but something. Silicon toys all over the motorway.
Oh, like G.I. Joe's or what?
Think so.
Yes.
I'm gonna need the full address of that
Yeah.
right now.
So
I'm gonna
so
go
I
do
can
some
stay away.
journalistic activities there. I got a cease and desist letter yesterday, though.
You see, we're supposed to call it a day, but at this point, might as well stay till the news here.
Might as well, man.
Yeah.
Come on, let's knock it
Half an
out.
hour.
Yeah, I need to get off before news. Whatever we do, guys, we need to get off before news because I know we're gonna get a lot
Yeah,
of
I'm gonna do
questions.
a chat.
that is-
Cam, can you tell us everything you sell in alphabetical order?
Yeah, sure, one sec. Let me,
List the entire menu.
Oh, my
The
phone's got
distributors
battery.
and everything.
Yeah.
What specials?
Whoa,
are you
who's
running?
in a position?
Hey,
Hey,
yeah.
hey, 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 whoa, whoa, whoa,
heard it. I heard it.
Who took a
Who was
position?
it?
Whoa.
Okay.
SG, SG.
That was definitely SG. The thing was
That's not
around
me.
his screen.
Whoa. Who was it?
I'll take ownership for that.
Like, I thought that was the open the shoot button.
Okay. The
At
reversal
least you didn't hear the other
bias.
sound.
Someone just
I
attempted the
thought that
reversal
button opened the
bias.
parachute. What is it?
I'm sure you done that last time as well when it was all quiet a couple of weeks back.
I may or may not have, yes.
You know you could turn that sound
Hey,
off.
have you ever
right?
taken a
Yeah,
trade
I got
off the
my
parachute?
muted.
What?
Taking a trade off the parachute?
Yeah, I've traded in the plane before.
Really?
Yeah, but have you ever
Nah,
been
you-
like in the air?
No way you have service
Yeah.
up there.
You gotta get the dawn photo, like under the pool,
Yeah, that'd be
like,
such a good video.
but in the sky.
Yeah, you
gotta
need to get a video
take a
of it.
photo of
MT5 on
MT5.
Apple Watch.
Yeah.
Do it for DVS, bro. Get a video for us if you can.
All right, I can do
It's gotta be in
that.
dra- it's gotta be in
That'd be a
drawdown
sick
there.
video. Be safe though.
Yeah.
Like, I took the video, but the phone's somewhere in the Sahara right now. His ass be flopped.
You have to be
I can get when
100%
I can do
drawdown.
it like also when I'm like under canopy flying back, I can kind of like I've FaceTime people before doing it, but I can
Wow.
take
That's
a
tough.
trade stream.
That'd be wild if you did it on stream.
So when you strap your phone onto your like, is it strapped on or something? Your
Like as soon as I like jump out, I'll just pull my parachute, and then once I'm settled, just pull it out of my pocket and can do whatever.
wow.
I FaceTime my dad one time on his birthday in Mexico in the middle of a skydive. I was under my parachute flying back.
Dad's like, why are you moving so quick? What's going on?
But
I'm
no,
free
it's
falling
closing
from
out of
space right now.
Yeah.
But surely there's just too much wind. You can't hear anything.
Under the canopy is not too bad. Yeah, skydive, you wouldn't hear anything. It would be horrible.
Yeah.
Once you open the chute, you're all right. Yeah.
Yeah. Super chill.
That's if you have a shirt.
Well, you're probably not opening much of anything at that point.
I've done some paragliding, so
Yeah.
it's not the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Skydiving and like speed flying. So like smaller wings of the paraglides and stuff like that.
Yeah, my brother is into it like pretty crazy. Winters, he's in Montreal, so in winters he's in the tubes practicing, and summers jumping off planes. You know.
Why?
Yeah,
Everyone in
and-
Canada jumping out planes.
Montreal.
What?
Big.
It's something in the maple syrup.
All the Canadians are jumping.
Something in the syrup.
Nah, it's because there's nothing to do up here. We don't have beaches right outside the door like Wicks.
Oh yeah, you're right.
We gotta go climb. We gotta go chase our highs.
I'm seeing me. I'm more of a stumble guy. I stumble into it. You guys really go chasing the high. I'm like shaking, trying to figure out where my feet are, and then kind of stumble right into it.
Yeah. How much time did you fly when you went to the tunnel Wicks?
I did it like 10 or 12 minutes. Like felt like forever. Like
Yeah.
a minute felt like forever, bro. I was
Yeah.
like literally, I think I did like 30-second like intervals
Yeah.
with my daughter, and then at some point she was like, I can't breathe. Cause like with all the air's coming out. So I was like, I'll take your time. And then I spent like a minute in there, and it was like wild. You
Yeah.
get tired.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, especially like learning because you're kind of like fighting with the air versus like flying with the air.
Yeah.
So until you like learn to relax and chill, it's yeah, it takes a
Gotta
little
bend your body through and then like curve and through, and I'm like, this is wild.
banana.
Yeah.
That's like your number one thing. Like no matter like all shit's going sideways, just banana. And you'll sort it out.
Wait, what was the word? What was the context though? We missed that.
Wham, bam, slam. Thank you,
It was
ham.
beard.
Beard? Mm.
I don't know what this is. This is tough because I don't know how to get the A to a L and the or A.
Slag.
Start, good start.
What?
Then what?
Blag.
Like the end is tough. Like how do
Do
you?
Blag. Do Blag. BLAG after this.
Some.
It's not a word.
Oh, that is a word.
Not Took Weaver.
Or Urban Dictionary.
I don't know, man. I was gonna go with like slap and then change the P after because you could maybe do more words with that than you could.
I
with the
think.
G.
I think we do slag and then flag.
And then what?
I don't know, but we can change fang to bang.
'Cause you could
So I'm just
do-
going backwards. I think there needs to be an F. Or we can change bong to bang.
What if you went slap and then flap? Would that lead us into
I'm trying
getting the
to get
G?
the song.
after?
I guess a song.
No, not yet. Wait
Doesn't,
until.
doesn't sound right when you say flapjack.
I know. Something,
Well, I won't say it then. Fine.
something TOS about it for sure.
Exactly. That's what I think. I nearly went for it. but I
Surely
didn't.
slap isn't optimal.
No.
There you go. Bamboozled you all there. All the silence. How about blam?
Haters
Try that.
going to
Try
other
that.
streams to
About
hate.
blam.
Damn, there's haters going to other streams to hate. That is wild.
I agree with Cam. Try blam.
Blam.
Bars.
Try seam.
No,
it's the
not
first
slap.
word.
Blam. Blam.
First word,
First
blam.
word.
If you think this slow in a gunfight, mate, you're losing it.
Yeah. That's all we need to compare anything to. How quick you can play Fortnite.
Cam's played Warzone and now. he
Wait,
thinks
what is
he's
it? What is it? What do you guys have?
First one,
Blam.
blam.
Yeah.
No, the first,
first one.
Oh, sorry, I'm blind.
Fucking hell.
Right, there we go. We got the B.
Jack,
That's what I did initially.
Blam.
Jack be picking up women.
Blang.
Hey girl, have you seen my Fortnite
Blang,
ranking?
Blag.
What
Blag.
about like
Blag.
beam?
B, what is it?
That's what Cam's got on his Tinder bio wicks, his Fortnite ranks.
1v1 me, no belts.
Nah, you can't do anything with that.
SG said beam. Beam would
Yeah,
work.
but I don't know where you go.
You
I don't
could
know where
do
you go after
blag
that.
and then
beam.
Blag's not a word, Jack, on here.
And then go
Oh, sorry, I didn't see that happen.
bean. Oh no. Bang, bang, bean.
Fuck, this is tough, bro. I don't think.
Beam, berm.
I think
No,
go
dude,
slap,
go
bro.
back.
Go
Go
slap,
back.
and then go slap, and go like flop.
But you could have just had slag straight out of the bat and missed all that.
Let's go with seam.
That's what I manage where I work.
What?
The seam.
Trouser seams.
Security information and event management system.
Okay.
The viewers just dropped when Cam started talking about that.
Yeah.
It's lost 1,000 people.
I can't believe this one word thing has got us this much. What's up?
Mate,
with
I
this?
can't lie. I cheated, and the first one's blam. So just put blam.
I
There
cheated.
you go. Right, go. That's your
Or
tip.
where?
For optimal, the first one's blam.
Okay,
And
leave
then
it
we
at
go
that.
for- then we go with beam.
Give a second as well. Come on.
Beam. As she was
I
right.
knew it.
Oh yes, I got it.
And now go from here. This is correct. This is optimal. I'll
Berm.
tell you if you're off the.
No, wait, you need to go.
Go go back.
Yes,
bear.
perfect.
Nah, you're way off.
Yeah, nah.
Bear,
Go
bane.
back to beam.
I think go beat. Then you can go bent.
Cam.
Bant.
We're going all around the houses here.
Is bang a word?
Bend.
Bant is not a word.
Do bend.
Bang,
BEND.
bing, bong,
Or
bong.
BND?
BEND. And then band. And then bang.
Why?
That's
you
not.
think you're
That's
so
no
smart.
way.
That's not optimal.
Yeah.
And,
Oh,
I
close.
don't care. We were on that for way too long.
No,
It was-
Cam knew the optimal. Cam figured it
blam,
out.
bleam, bead, bend, bean, band.
Yeah,
bang.
whatever, man.
Are you lagging? Cam? You're saying the same word loads of times.
Whoa.
He already admitted to cheating. He's showing off the fact that he cheated. Look at me. I googled the answer, guys.
What's wrong with that? You do it every day and don't admit it.
Yo, where's
You
this?
wish. I just don't know 4 words.
Got
like you do.
him.
Cam knows 4 words. 90, night, Tampons, food.
Profit.
No, you don't know that, bro. You don't know that. You know loss.
Top right
And not
of
weight
Algeria.
loss.
Where's this?
What's top right of Algeria?
Buy low, sell high, make money.
You have,
That's
you
literally
have
it.
Get bitches.
Georgia, Romania, right? Right on top of Africa.
Romania?
You have
Oh shit,
Georgia,
yeah.
Romania,
Ooh.
Top left of Romania. Where's
Right,
that?
somewhere in Europe.
Ukraine. No, not Ukraine. Turkey. They're all right
no,
there
no,
around
that
the
won't
Black
be that
Sea.
close.
No,
Turkey's
it's
off.
top right.
No,
It's
Turkey's
like,
further down, innit?
is it like Estonia or something like that?
Georgia,
Ooh.
maybe Georgia.
ES
Yes.
Yes.
with Georgia.
Try Estonia.
To the left.
I think that's a good
Estonia
guess,
might be
you
the
know.
one.
I saw that
Stone Island
ES.
land.
Estonia.
Oh, yeah.
It's not good
Poland.
enough.
That's a very beautiful lilac T-shirt you have on there.
Slovenia.
Thank you. Thank you, Jack. I feel like it brings out my
Slovakia?
abs.
Where's Slovakia? I don't know, bro. I honestly don't know where this is.
This is the last one, so be careful.
We got Slovenia.
Slovenia.
Bulgaria would be another one.
Do we have any hints for this or?
No.
No, we
We have
normally
Husky.
have Husky. He
Yeah, we
normally
have Husky.
snipes this game like that. It's like the Oracle. But he's been slacking lately. Every time he comes on here,
What
he
about
pretends to
Morocco?
be-
Isn't Morocco?
He's gone
Oh,
deaf and he can't hear
Oh, I
us.
got it.
What was it?
It's Slovakia.
Slovakia is guess. I had no idea.
Did you know you can get $350 when you open a CIBC Smart account?
Yeah.
How much you get for that plug, bro?
Got it on the
Hashtag-
screen and
Yeah.
I mentioned
But they
it
getting a
too.
lot. They getting a lot.
Is this going into the DVS pockets or is this your own pockets?
Hashtag ad.
How much are you getting paid for that?
Oh, yeah, you got it. Just switch them around.
Must speed run the rest of the games.
Purple, green.
Bro needs to get on Warzone
We
right
need
now.
Kato. We need Kato on this.
Needs it.
Hands are shaking.
Again, withdrawals.
Holy,
It's like the
I'm
video of the
actually-
dog with the
Whoa,
burrito.
whoa,
just
that was
shaking.
good.
Man's GG.
Darker, darker. So darker, darker. You need blue.
Blue.
GG.
Darker blue, darker blue, darker blue.
Wrong blue.
No, I think.
Darker blue.
Or aqua, aqua, aqua.
Comes down
Aqua.
a new colour.
Aqua.
Oh, no, red then. It's got to be red.
You're orange.
Okay, maybe, yeah, I meant that one. In
That's
the
what he
middle.
meant by red.
Yeah.
close to
Watch
red.
this. 256. No, that's
Oh, Jack, come on.
What's that? 456?
168.
173.
196.
It's 173.
64.
169.
That was what I said
64
yesterday.
too
173.
Oh, it's the other
And I
angle.
think
It's the
today
smaller
it is.
180.
Right, Warzone. See you later, guys. See you later.
Right,
Bye.
Warzone, big, bye.
All right,
Yeah,
yep.
bruv.
Thanks, driver. Bye, driver.
Later.
Mate, if you sit at DJing for an hour, honestly, I'm going to the gym.
Oh, bro, I'm hopping off. I gotta hop off for a news there. We can't.
Wait. What do you mean? No. What about the signals?
The signals?
What about him?
Well, that's why I gotta hop off here.
We got
Anyways,
15
guys,
minutes
peace out,
for the signal,
everybody.
yo.
Peace out, everybody.
See you in a bit.
See you
Peace,
soon.
peace.
Bye, driver.
Jack's got tears.
All right, chat. That's it for me today. Oh man. All right, bro. So, what a good day it was. Unfortunately, the streak continues to a 44 win streak. That is the day for us today. It was a pretty good day, I'll say. Pretty early and quick day. Got in, did our analysis, wait for it, took our trade, got out, just like that. And again, some days trades are a bit longer than other days. Today's trade just happens to be a quick 5-second trade, or maybe like a minute trade, I'll say. But yeah, chat, keep up the good work. We got here because we followed our discipline and followed our plan. We didn't get here because we were looking to aim for a win streak. So we'll continue to do that. And again, long term, good things will happen to us. Or not good things will happen to us, but in terms of like, you know, it'll pay off long term for sure as you follow your plan every day. Again, making the money today was cool, but what's more important was just what happened prior to the trade. And understand, like, especially after post trade yesterday when we were in drawdown, we didn't switch the way we trade today. We didn't switch the way we view the charts. We took the same entries, same attempt, same exact trade, and that happened to play out today. And that live example of doing the same thing day in, day out, no matter what happens, no matter what the market printed for you the last day, is very key. And I hope that was a good example as to why you should stick to your plan every day, because that's the only way to be profitable. You know, by sticking to your plan and not switching your plan day in, day out off of a trade. So aside from that, everybody, I hope you guys have an amazing Friday today. Fucking chill day today. And yeah, that's it, bro. Undefeated week, undefeated month. Last 3 months have been crazy. And again, let's just continue to do what we've been doing. And yeah, I would say the streams tonight, but there's no one streaming tonight. It's just us, or that's me, and that's it. The DVS, there's no more Asian session tonight. This is the last session, right, of the week. So yeah, I hope you guys had a good week. Hope you guys learned a couple things this week. Very informative week, and we'll be back on Sunday for the webinar and then Monday for the stream. So chat, that's it for me. Have a good day, everybody, and I'll see you guys Sunday morning. All right, at 12 p.m. All right, chat. If you guys are still trading for a day, make sure you have a stop loss. Make sure you have protection. Aside from that, bro, appreciate it. Love you guys. And thanks for all the viewers today, by the way, too. We peaked 5.2K, back-to-back 5K days. And thank you. I really appreciate that, chat, for real. Love you guys, bro. Peace out, DVS. Have a good day. Enjoy your profits. Enjoy your week. Enjoy your value learned this week. A message to all the haters, though.
YG on the beat.
I'm laughing to the bang like ha ha ha. I'm laughing at the slaves like ha ha ha. Damn ha ha ha. Damn ha ha ha. Damn ha ha ha. Damn ha ha ha. I'm flexing on the slaves like ha ha ha. I'm walking in the bank like ha ha ha. I'm on block. Bitch, that's my block. I be whack. Ha ha ha. I smoke la la la. Look in, ha ha ha. Yeah, ain't no dropouts. Let's go ba ba ba. Why she don't suck my car? Like a ba ba ba. She start as la sagua. I make money fly fly fly. Rap out like ha ha ha.
I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. Ain't got a lot. I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. Woke up to niggas talking like me talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me talk. Woke up to niggas talking like me talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me talk. I woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Oh, I think they like me. Yeah, they like me. Diamonds on me, ice cream. Oh, that's lightly. My Draco bitch is spitely. Diamonds on me, bite. I heard these niggas wanna fight me. Meet me at my next show, but you better bring a pipe. We ain't fighting. I think she like me, exciting. So excited. Fuck me. Really cool, I'm riding with a Dodge. Fuck. I just spent 100 on my watch piece. I done fell in love with a Dodge. She just wanna fuck before my clouds. Bitch, I'm off the lean, I crashed the Audi. I just spent 200 on this Audi. Woke up to niggas talking like me talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me talk. Woke up to niggas talking like me talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me talk. I woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Oh, I think they like me. Yup, in my white tee. No, baby, smoke so much, don't need some vice. Dion nigga don't like me, but I just like me. Fucked all of y'all bitches, so at they parties don't invite me. That bitch that you wifing, she so trifling. I been getting money, so don't nothing really excite me. Cardi put a 6 and a 4 of the right lane. Damn that boy, asking for some more, like the Sprite clean. Yeah, that's that dirty.
that's that dirty. That girl all up in my face like she ain't try to swerve me. These boys all up in my lane, I swear they keep on merging. No, I cannot see a lane cause my Rolls Royce got curtains.
Woke up to niggas talking like me, talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me, talk. Woke up to niggas talking like me, talk. Woke up to niggas sounding like me, talk. I woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Boy, they like me. Then she like me. This bitch want to indict me. Ooh, she can't find me. I'm like, dirty up the Sprite, please. With some ice, with pop beans and like the ceiling. Ooh, Sand Perk, Molly, we got hella things. I'm in love with the guac, gave it a wedding ring. And I swear I had these stops before I got the fame. And I swear I had the guac before I got the chain. I'm in Boston with Perus and I don't even bang. Yo, shout out G, we ain't your L, yo, hold at the game. Oh, shout out Gigi, that's my boo, she know that I claim. Shooting at these niggas like I'm in the paint. Woke up like this, woke up to niggas talking like this. Talk.
Fraud niggas, y'all niggas, that's that shit I don't like. Yo shit, make believe, rapping about my own life. Woo, that's rare nigga. Woo, Ric Flair nigga. Woo, the power's in my hair nigga. Woo, I get this beat the chair nigga. Soho, a Tribeca, 3 hoes, trifecta, dope money, hope money, shoe blow, my watch better, my pen's better. You don't write, trendsetter, you clone like, pay homage or case vomit, ungrateful niggas I don't like. Rah!
A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like.
Bang bang.
A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like.
Bang bang.
A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like.
Bang bang.
Sneak niggas, that's that shit I don't
Chicago,
like.
They smile in my face, is what I don't like. They steal your whole sound, that's a sound bite. The media crucify me like they did Christ. They wanna find me not breathing like they found Mike. A girl will run her mouth only out of spite, but I never hit a woman, never in my life. I was in too deep like Makai Fife. In that pussy so deep I could've drowned twice. Rose gold, Jesus peace with the brown ice. Eating good vegetarian with the brown rice. Girls kissing girls, cause it's hot, right? But unless they use a strap on, then they not dykes. They ain't about that life, they ain't about that life. We hanging out the window, it's about to be a Suge night. Free bump J, real nigga for life. Shout out to Derrick Rose, man that nigga nice. Shout out to LEP, J Boogie, right? Chief Keef, King Louis, this is shy, right? Right?
A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Sneak niggas, that's that shit I don't like. Don't like, don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Fake Gucci, that's that shit that I don't like. I'm smoking on this dope, higher than a kite. This bitch gon' knock me down, she gon' let me pipe. Screaming so that's that nigga that I like. I don't want relations, I just want one night. Cause a thirsty bitch, that's that shit that I don't like. I got tats up on my arm, cause this shit is life. And I splash on bunch of clothes, cause I'm living life. I come up on the scene, and I'm still in light. Bitch, I'm how life, got me feeling right. Bitch, I'm cheap, keep, fuck who don't like. And bitch, we GBE, we just gon' sight. A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Sneak niggas, that's that shit I don't like.
Whoa, we are not one and the same. Nigga, I'm fucking insane. Fuck is you saying? Yo ass been doing the same shit, not doing what you saying. Dang, I told your old bitch she was fucking the lane. Turn one hoe to a train, blow, blang. My niggas holding that pain. I just hope you been praying.
ATL
I been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I had put out my Glock, but I picked up a stick. Don't get in hating shit, I'm on some greatest shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Gon' have to taste me, I don't like to wait, and I swear I'm impatient, I don't like to sit. I made a way for you little bitty niggas, I wish you would play with me, boy, you a bitch. Yeah, they got this out it, I told him to mail it. I don't gotta tell you, somebody gon' sell it. Bro, gon' keep it solid, I know you won't tell it. Grew up in the streets, I ain't never saw belly. I didn't have shit, I ain't never get jealous. Born in this shit, I grew up with some felons. Reach for this water, we'll go at your melon. My little bro slime, he'll throw on the river. I don't really have to talk about stepping, cause my niggas never get caught when it happen. I'm still no serving in the morning, I'm snapping. You can take this as you want and I'm packing. F in inside of my hand when I back in. Get the acting, I promise we clapping. Those some big gotta be stuck on the package. It's the real when you know that I'm taxing. Get the ball, I'ma score, I'm passing. Got no love for no hoe, I ain't passionate. I done ran up a dub on an accident. To the streets on the voice, I'm an advocate. That's the plug, it's the most you done never sent. Niggas broke, what's the most you done never spent? Getting paid, it's the most I done never saved. We gon' hop out with K's. I been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I had put out my Glock, but I picked up a stick. Don't get in hating shit, I'm on some greatest shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Gon' have to taste me, I don't like to wait, and I swear I'm impatient, I don't like to sit. I made a way for you little bitty niggas, I wish you would play with me, boy, you a bitch. I been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I had put out my Glock, but I picked up a stick. Don't get in hating shit, I'm on some greatest shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Gon' have to taste me, I don't like to wait, and I swear I'm impatient, I don't like to sit. I made a way for you little bitty niggas, I wish you would play with me, boy, you a bitch.
All this shit started off in the kitchen. Show me once and I was paying attention. As the trenches, they gon' say I'm the realest official. The difference between me and niggas, I'm rich when I get off my Insta. Get them killed by the knife for a 60, I sent it, I can't even risk it. I was when we finished, but I'm steadily winning. Youngest, richest nigga out of my city. I been had the streets in the headlock. We had 2 or 3 bricks in Miss Jan's spot. Still dead fresh if the feds watch. Send a diss and hide and get your man shot. Niggas play, but they know we gon' air it out. She was acting bougie, flew a friend out. I went took it, ain't asked for a handout. Old niggas see me out and put their hand down.
No friends in the industry, my brothers been my brothers, man. You niggas ain't no kin to me, a fact. Whoa, yeah, you heard about me, you don't know me more than that. Yeah, I know hey, yeah. No friends in the industry, my brothers been my brothers, man. You niggas ain't no kin to me, a fact. Whoa, I was known for snapping when I chat before the app. Stood on everything I said and never took it back. Whoa, no friends in the industry, I had to draw the line between my brothers and my enemies, a fact. Niggas let us start the beat, don't wanna keep it rap. Yeah, you hit us up and now we owe you something back. See you, I was young angel, but these niggas turn me evil. Yeah, I know you, but you really ain't my people. Yeah, I heard some people say they know him as my equal. Truth be told, I son these niggas, girl, I don't compete with them. Ask about the boy and they gon' say he got the streets with him. Niggas so offensive knowing they don't have no defense. Why they always act like we can fix it with a meeting? All that linking up, man, I'ma see him when I see ya. Yeah, brothers been my brothers, man. You niggas ain't no kidding, that's a fact. Ayy, and I'm like she carry smoke, I'm on and off the track. Ayy, and you love that hoe with me, I put her on her back. You get drizzy on the track, here, put you on the map. Oh, it's like that, hell yeah, it's like that. Ayy, and I got a contract, it's a max. Ayy, since I got in contact, she attached. When I saw my first deal, that shit came through a fax. That should let you know how long I've been out here running laps. Yeah. Hey. Hopping in, bitch, and I start the V. Snakes in the grass, so they harder to see. My brother would give up his life to the O. He told me he'd go be a martyr for me. Said that she ready to corner the 6. I hit up Pauline to charter the P. Ain't really leave, but I'm back. I'm back. I'm riding around in Atlanta with Sav, cause that nigga been going harder than me. Nothing to change, I'm just harder to please. Ferrari is making an SUV. We ain't got a choice, we ordering these. Shout out Noel for recording the V's. He know where this shit about to go, cause nobody touching the flow. They say you alone at the top, but it's gotta be lonely below. You boys getting ready to diss, but don't even mention the O, and don't even mention the foe, unless you boys tryna go broke.
Whoa, I got more stripes than Adidas.
Yeah, I got the stripes, but fuck Adidas, nigga.
I don't chase bitches, I leave them.
Hoes screaming like I'm Justin Bieber, nigga.
I don't get mad, I get even.
Hit you niggas like a buzzer beater, nigga.
I don't get mad, I get even.
Hit you niggas, then you gone.
Whoa, all that foundation she wearing, she think she QC. Telling all my sneaky links you with me. You must be Coach K, cause you ain't P. I'm on the jet like my last name Lee. 2 sticks in my hand like I'm playing a Wii. G-Block babies will spank you for free. We rough niggas up, now they begging for peace.
G-Block babies.
Stepping on shit, I done freshen my toe. Born born in October, I'm so OVO. Halloween coming, he wanna dress up, but he don't need no costume, I'm turning them ghosts. She called me mucus, I stay in her throat. Stick hit that boy, got his ass hitting notes. My niggas wear masks,
So you know where this shit about to go. Cause nobody touching the flow. They say you alone at the top, but it's gotta be lonely below. You boys getting ready to diss, but don't even mention the O, and don't even mention the foe. Unless you boys tryna go broke. Oh damn, man, you niggas is the worst. Savage, snatch you out your crib, then drop you in a hearse. Baby, please, when we nervous, stop reaching.
Damn, news came out. What did it do? This thing just flipped.
Niggas dumb as fuck. Imagine if I did that stupid shit when I was coming up. My crib feel like a hedge fund. I be in here just thumbing up. Know I'm SM1 till I'm done fucking London up. Niggas make me nauseous. I had enough of broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys. Yeah, I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys.
Not gonna lie, I thought news would do a lot more than that. I was looking at it, but I'm done for a day. But I thought it was gonna like continue to push or something. But maybe it might pick up like after some time here. We'll see.
And I hear in real life you living with your bitch. I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys. I don't want no convo. I don't got no time for niggas posting mansion, living in a condo. Y'all be make believing. I cannot relate to ya. I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys. I cannot believe y'all was dissing on an old boy. I can't even think of how you came up with that flow, boy. Please talk to someone else, cause I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to broke boy. No, no. I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to
Axel.
Axel.
Warrior. Hey, I don't cop things for resale, don't do iCloud, don't do email. Feds wanna top up man and wire man like Chubbs did detail. Back when Ricky was doing up Teasdale, I was doing dinner with Teasy. I didn't trust no one, swore gal lied me cause gal too greasy. Nico never move Nike, sweatsuit Nike, sweatsuit DG. If man get beaky, ring ring, call up GG, do him up neatly. Used to look up to a man from certain ends with tune on repeat. Thought he was a bad boy then till man got pinched and man went PC. Man went PC just like Dell and Windows, some man been those. Before I was ever around Kendos, I was in Enzo, dreaming up Enzos. The woman I do end up with has to be a bad girl just like Munchie. Can't have no pretentious ting when I know this road gets bumpy. Word to the broski J, he got different names in different countries. 3 whaps in a whip and we beat that case where man live way too comfy. I don't do well with people making disses and making threats. Warrior man got flown like private jets for way less. I know you try to get one down on us, ever since then it's been stress. Cause you know the reps them owe you one and we always pay them debts. Wassa, just like the Crody press, I don't do no pasta. Link with Skull and cousin Jamie and y'all, then we dep on Gaza. Pasha, Sasha, pissed I was way too young at the time for slashings. You niggas spend too much time on captions, not enough time on action. Pick one man with slaps that's rapping, I bet he don't want no clashings. The LB pouch on chest is just for fashion, niggas just acting. Are you dumb or stupid? The wheels on the roses, chromas, headshot domas. Just checked in at a hotel floor that we on, got potent aromas. OVO XO link up, man, them drink up, me and the drillers. Hawking sticks and cash and Baka, Gucci, P and Gilla. And the boy that sound like he sang on Thriller, you know that's been my nigga. Yeah, we just had to fix things, family 16s, we can't split up. As for the rest of the game, I'll do man dirty, man I get 2 time. To me that's just our side, I don't really care who rides on whose side. Bring 10 shots to the poolside, never seen none of these grown men outside. 4301, won't spare no one, niggas gotta know about Southside. Stepping out of line, get outlined, and you know I'm tied up stateside. Bringing man down when it takes sides, trying to get saved by the bell like Bayside. Prince, I carry that last name, that shit stays on me like brand names. Jazz just lined up brand new hantings, in night sky on a matting. Everyone I know has code names, anyone I'm beefing with is a no name. Niggas can't even win home games, they just gotta fall in line like Soul Train. Hey. Yeah.
Axel. Axel.
I'm on some shit like, now I do what I want. 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 Yeah. Now I do what I want. 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 Everybody know I'm better. Ay, yeah, I'm better. Ay, it don't matter. Ay, pockets fatter. Ay, nowadays I'm on my haters, they got sadder. Ay, that's money longer. Ay, different song, bruh. Ay, different producer. I can do anything and I won't lose her. She got right with a winner, left that loser. Ay, talking shit, boy, make me get my Ruger. Yeah, I sell my Ruger. All my niggas, they shooters. Rocking them grills all the way till my tooth hurt. Oh, he cold? Well, I swear that I'm cooler. That ain't no Rolling, bitch, this is a Frank Mueller. Yeah, Frank Mueller. Boy, I start on the bottom, made my way to the top. Boy, I'm gon' keep winning. No, I cannot stop. Remember I had a little, turned that shit to a lot. Always been 100, put that on my block. Used to want that 4-door, now I want that drop. Yeah, now I do what I want. 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 God.
Just in my zone now, cause my figure's up. All your hoes chose me, nigga, calm down. Louis pouch across my body, this is not for fashion. This is not a playground, ain't no fist fight, bitch, I'm blasting. Niggas say they looking for me like I'm not right here, man. If I tell it tears, I'll be crying to my bed, man. Bitch, I'm tryna fuck, I've been inside for 13 years now. I've been on so many flights, it's like my record's clear now. AKA the man, AKA I never ran. Don't make me turn this red light on your head like you Roxanne. Only talk to bosses, not the second in command. Niggas bringing talks to me, you better have a plan. Cause they don't have a cure for all my pain. AKA it's not nice and I live up to my name. Yeah, this the boy, are you insane? I drink Henny when I shoot my pistol at the range. That way when I'm tipsy, I still know I got my aim. AKA it's not nice and it's not a fucking game. You and I were not the same. Posted like Ibaka, got your wifey running brains. She was there with boy to keep my front door off the frame. She say I look like Usher when I'm trapping in the rain. You are crazy, you are crazy, you are crazy, you are crazy. It's the new free band. Put up, Illuminati,
Don't play with the legacy, having more stripes than a referee, trapping the sport. Go back to the basics, connect with the zones, then we take out to New York. I'm leaving the scene, I'm peeping the scene. The Rari got too many horses. Whole lot of scheming, turn off the demons, we make it rain at the office. My first Bentley coupe, I adapted. Lot of commas and dramas, I'm mad rich. 40 pointers on me like a bad bitch. Did my numbers, my coupe is a gadget. Ripping that bird like a maniac. Young nigga asking what's Annie at. Slide, what him up, hell on that. I'm in the spot with a Grammy at. I been that nigga and hand me down. Numero uno millennium. Straight out the zoo like a Jimmy them. They lick up with strikers, gon' hit me them. I turn average bitch into a pop star. I'm in my glow, I had swagger, I been one of none, y'all. When I was broke, cash on me. I cash out on channel, why didn't I get short? Bashing me like I'm not a big dog. I just throw it on a scatty pack, 100 bitty ass. I just blow it, no ballistics and suspicious. Fuck the witness, bad conditions. Grab a biscuit, don't be a statistic. Came off the mission, high definition. A boss, my left wrist a faucet. My ring cost is pink like an ostrich. I feel lost, this bitch got herself hostage. I done got exhausted, running through the money. Oh.
Young Wonder and Young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every
every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of jungle, my ball ain't got no jumper. Rest in peace, my uncle. Never met, but I still love you. Remember that pussy from way.
He said Wix 10. Yo, where's Paul been nowadays though?
This ain't that what you looking at.
He gave away a PC and never came back.
You can tell it's a rich nigga posture. Y'all gon' one on spitting it proper. Trapping at school, I was serving bags. Probably was searching my locker. Who did your jury? It look like brass. One of your bro should've stopped you. It's young one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat where it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading, and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing, no way I'm anemic.
Put up to the photo, man, this shit too easy. Y'all gon' chop a brick like judo, snatch a Lamborghini. I got a different bitch for different places, different seasons. Bitch ain't playing the position, cut up. You it on it, everybody it. We want all the smoke. We want all the smoke. We want all the smoke. We want all the smoke.
Yeah, he just breaking up the ice. We leaning.
Yeah, stacking it tall. Every nigga out my city became a boss. Those shit rollin', holy moly, no days off. Pirates cook it up like Kyrie, trade you off. Let's go. Green and white like Celtics, don't play with me, play with a fault. I'm superior, I'm imperial, I ain't feeling you. I can eat me some hair, run up about a brick. I got berry buns on my wrist. Blow your college fund. Hold my bitch out the slum, taking a chance, told him Tommy gun. Left out of school, start selling rocks, bought me a drop. Cut your frames, cut your rings, cut your socks. Homicide gang, they gon' put you on Fox. Putain ran up a whole M, sitting in the box. My dog rock a roll in the feds, nigga, and still move blocks. We had a bando going crazy in the SWATs. 10-4, they running up on all the ops. We want all the smoke. 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 We want all the smoke.
It's money turning me on. Hey, it's money turning me on. Turn me on. I'm thinking out loud, but these hunters got a nigga gone. Fuck on. I'm so gone on. 300 racks on the Bentley truck. Yeah, yeah. Take the fingers off and go and lift it up. Lift it up. Cash all on your.
The luxury of having passion.
Colosso.
I want it.
Free, truly humble underguard.
The chicken colossal.
Nah, the crazy one was when they're like, pushing P stands for pushing positivity. Boy, yeah, that's not what pushing P means, bro. Let's play that song right now, actually. Hold on. No way. Pushing P means pushing positivity. Ain't no way.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P.
Go chat, pushing positivity, you know that.
Pointers in the paddock in my piece. I'm pushing P.
Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot across the spot. Just for peace.
Drop the data, now we plotting exotic peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P.
I'm pushing P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push P. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P.
She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P.
Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P.
Pushing P.
I'm pushing P.
Pushing P.
I'm pushing P.
Yeah. Pushing P.
I'm pushing P.
Pushing P.
I'm pushing P.
Yeah.
I pop a P. I'm paranoid. I can't sleep with pockets deep. Got rest on me. Why they watching me? I'm pushing P. I'm pushing P.
Pushing P.
I'm pushing P.
Yeah.
of us? How many of us? How many jealous? Real friends, there's not many of us. We smile at each other, but how many honest? Trust issues, switched up the number. I can't be bothered, I cannot blame you for having an angle. I ain't got no issues, I'm just doing my thing. Hope you doing your thing too. I'm a deadbeat cousin, I hate family reunions. Fuck the church up by drinking at the communion. Spilling free wine, now my tux is ruined. In time for a date, what the fuck we doing? Who your real friends? We all came from the bottom. I'm always blaming you, but what's sad, you not the problem. Damn, I forgot to call him. Shit, I thought it was Thursday. Why you wait a week to call my phone in the first place? When was the last time I remembered a birthday? When was the last time I wasn't in a hurry?
Tell me you want them tickets when it's game time. Even to call your daughter on the FaceTime. Even when we was young, I used to make time. Now we be way too busy just to make time. Even for my
real friends, I guess I get what I deserved on her. Word on the streets is they ain't heard from them. I guess I get what I deserved on her. Talk down on my name, throw dirt on them. I couldn't tell you how old your daughter was. Couldn't tell you how old your son is. I got my own junior on the way, dog. Plus I already got one kid.
Couldn't tell you much about the fam, dog. I just showed up for the yams, dog.
Maybe 15 minutes, took some pictures with your sister. Merry Christmas, then I'm finished, then it's back to business. You wanna ask some questions about some real shit, like I ain't got enough pressure to deal with. Please don't pressure me with that bill shit.
Cause everybody got them that ain't children. Oh, you been nothing but a friend to me.
Niggas thinking I'm crazy, you defending me. It's funny, I ain't spoke to niggas in centuries. To be honest, dog, I ain't feeling your energy.
Money turn your kin into an enemy. Niggas ain't real as they pretend to be. Looking for
real friends.
Real friends.
How many of us? How many of us are real friends? To real friends, to the real end, to the reals, to the wheels don't spin.
Yeah, yeah.
To 3 a.m. calling.
Nigga, this is what that jungle do. You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I should've never even fuck with you. Yeah, I started in the back, had to skip the line, no. I'ma keep that shit a stack till my fucking time go. Niggas throw you in the shade cause they wanna shine, no. Nigga throw me in the grave in the Ferragamo. Man, I can't believe they killed my fucking bro Quado. Shit was so deep, I had to say that with my eyes closed. That shit made me wanna treat a nigga like he John Doe. Nah, I know me Rondo, now that nigga John Doe. This is all I ever wanted, nigga. Why would I let you take it from me, nigga? I ain't stupid, ain't no dummy, nigga. A couple fingers on a couple triggers. Fuck with you, why would I fuck with you? You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I should've been watching from the jump with you. Fuck it, this is what that jungle do. Started what I started. Anybody want a problem? This is my shit. Tell them if they want a problem. I'm from High Bridge. Got a nigga with a shotgun up in my whip. Making bitches go retarded with this hard dick. Why you think my name is artist? I'm an artist. I woke up to a Menage, I'm just being honest. I get money if I want it, I'm a carpet. If a nigga want static, let him have it. Have you ever seen a mini semi-automatic? It go thumb like a drum, hit a beat blasting. When it come to that fire, I'ma fucking drag it. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I should've never even fuck with you. I was walking in the rain with my Tim's on, stepping over puddles full of pain. It's a big storm. 13 on my ball mains. It's a big storm. In the club, let them make it rain. Like what, nigga? We don't fall with you. No, I'm all about my box, nigga. I don't trust niggas. Ever since I was a young nigga, coming up, nigga. Ain't nobody show me love, nigga. So it's fault, niggas. It's just sauce, nigga. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder.
Drop, damn it, damn it. Drone,
Monte Carlos. I been tryna find some peace and only God knows. Cross me once, can't call my phone, you can get the dial tone. I been on fleek, I'm poppin'. Not many round if you don't know it, help my pockets. Hey, my bro, take that Draco and go wildin'. Tryna grow up, don't come in contact with that violence. Violence should be played.
Have a good week, bro. Have a good weekend, yo.
Well, she like wet pictures that ain't
now you missing all the streams next week?
You, I won't take it out there.
You better hope you don't get a runner next week.
Nigga sign with hybrid. I pledge out and take his head off his body. I never once showed you that side, but that's who I'm is. I know I let that daddy spit on college. If I die right now, just check the stats and see how I did. I'm a real street nigga, yeah. I just pulled my red eye out and tried to stop a nigga. Where you going? I just walked outside my house and I'm on shot a nigga. Fuck my ex, I hope my next can probably top a nigga. Take me to a place I can't imagine. Victim of heartbreak and I'm so damaged. Stepping in blood with these thugs and I can't panic. Yeah, we knocked them off, nigga, what they got a handy. I just took the floor and on the block into the top off. Talking all this top, I go by top, I get them knocked off. See them youngins hopping out that Benz, that's them drop offs. They was hating, I knocked them out my lens, that ain't my fault. I'm with him, I'm drinking on that hen like a pawpaw. Pick a D, they drinking on that gin. I been going off on all these hoes, waiting on me to fall. I walk in quick, dirty as the fuck with P up in my drawers.
Lil TJ. Niggas gon' hate, I don't care about them. Niggas gon' hate, I don't care about them. Not at all. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Don't say be humble, I patiently waited. All of this love and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them niggas that hate it. Running some bitch for my bros, I'ma make it. They want me going, I can't walk around naked. Even my brother got caught and he ate it. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Hop in the foreign, I'm drifting on stupid. Niggas be broke like the fuck is you doing? Started off strong, but there's room for improvement. I ain't for nothing, Milwaukee, I'm booming. Love ain't for me, now it's static with Cuban. Bitches in love with the way that I sing. They ain't want TJ before this whole movement. Now they dick rock cause I'm doing my thing. Still posted up on the block with the gang. Spin through your hood, I ain't tucking my chain. Bro got a chop with a whole lot of range. Shit be consistent, ain't nothing gon' change. Now that I'm speaking out honestly, I be flexing but I'm still in poverty. When my mom out the hood, do it properly. Give a fuck if you look at me awkwardly. No monopoly, I'm about property. I don't owe niggas shit but respect. Y'all won't there, I was going through stress. Matter of fact, I'm just wasting my breath. And now I'ma just talk about all of these bands. How I'm so grateful I'm not in the can. How I'm so grateful for all of my fans. How I'm so grateful I am who I am. Bought me the sweater, jewelry, the pants. He did it again. Looking forward to a show in Japan. I think Dexter better lay off his hands. Throwing water on my chain cause I can apply impression. Now they shaking my hands. Niggas ain't getting no pay, but I know that's the reason they hate is my gun on my waist. Touch guapo get shot in your face and there ain't no room for debate. I know these niggas gon' hate, but my life is still going great. Pop out your Vinci, babe. We from the trenches, it's easy to hop over fences. The D's trying to build up a case. Stay with a weapon, it's either a Glock or a Western. That bitch shoot you right in your face. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Don't say be humble, I patiently waited. All of this love and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them niggas that hate it. Running some bitch for my bros, I'ma make it. They want me going, I can't walk around naked. Even my brother got caught and he ate it. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Feel like the greatest, I think I'm the GOAT. Please don't get naked, I just want to throw out of my Birkin, I feel like it's working. Yeah, bitches be virgins, ain't even a joke. Feel like a star when I hop in the race. It don't matter the place, I ain't tucking my chain. Only my brothers ain't fucking with lanes. I don't care what you tell me, ain't nothing gon' change. Ran up some bitch, now I'm up like a plane. I was just hungry, ain't nothing was funny. I do what I do, I'ma stay in my lane. Hop in the booth and I'm spitting that pain. I was a youngin' that couldn't be tamed. Thinking shit funny like TJ and Stain. And I'ma get money regardless. Kill a nigga be easy, I'm heartless. I'm so young with a whole lot of charges. In the booth, I be working my hardest. Go try to diss me, I swear that shit garbage. It won't be long till I walk in the car.
Yo, Nat, peace out, bro. Have a good weekend, bro. I'm about to call it too, chat. I'm about to go get this PC done and figure shit out. If I come on a stream later to play Warzone, I'll come on, but I don't know how long it's gonna take me, honestly, bro. But yo, chat, appreciate you guys, man. Have a good weekend. Love you guys. Thank you for supporting. Thanks for you know, all the mods especially helping us out in the chat this week with a chaotic week. Really appreciate you guys. And yo, I'll see you guys on Monday, Sunday, alright guys? Take it easy, everybody. Love you guys.
Running, trying to get me a bag. Running, trying